the.
Facts. What is going on, YouTube? Back again. Myself, Jay Seals, had to take a little bit of a break, but we are back in the game. Appreciate everybody's support, checking on us, all that good stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Trader Shop. If this is your first time here, please make sure you tip the barbers. We keep a barbershop feel in here. So I grew up in the barbershop. You know what I mean? Justin likes to go to the shop, so we called it the Trader Shop. It's simple, it's easy. But just like when you go to the barbershop, please make sure you tip the barbers. And here, we like to say tip the barber. What we truly mean is hit the like and subscribe button, turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live or put out on a video. My name is T. Hobbs from the Trader Shop. And of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What up? This market's crazy. This market's nuts. This market's wild.
Hey, I hope you guys been making some money over the week. Oh, go ahead.
No. I was gonna. No, never mind. Go ahead. Go. Hope for the blessings. Make that money.
All right. And then as the second part of the introduction, please make sure you follow us on Twitter, man. It's at the Trader Shop, at the _ Trader Shop. Right. Just going over here to X, Twitter, whatever. My account say Twitter. I'm gonna call it Twitter. Right, going over here to at the Trader Shop and give us a follow if you're not following us already, and then go over here to Seals the Gains. Right, my man pushing over 1,000. Let's go. At Seals the Gains
with 1,000 for so long. I'll be at 1,000. I'll go under. I don't tweet enough. I should probably tweet more. Your ass been popping on Twitter lately.
No, I just put one tweet out there just because it was on my mind. I think I tweeted from the toilet and it kind of went crazy. From Dave retweeted it and went crazy, so it's him, not me. But yeah, follow us on Twitter or X or whatever you want to call it, at Seals the Gains with an S, not a Z. And yeah, man, let's get right into it. So if you're familiar with the shop, you already know what time it is. It is time for our pre-market plan. Now, I did not create a pre-market plan, but Justin created a pre-market plan. I didn't create one because I feel like Jerome Powell is just going to destroy anything that I come up with. So I'm just going to wait till he speaks. He speaks at 8:15. So I'm just going to wait on that. But Jay, take us through the pre-market plan, man. What do you got?
All right. So I only did a pre-market plan for ES and not NQ. So I'm sorry because I know like 90% of y'all motherfuckers are all ES or NQ motherfuckers. And so therefore, you know, whatever. This would probably still apply to NQ as well because I'm sure some of the levels are quite similar. So let me just look at my pre-market plan that I wrote down so I can kind of keep on track. All right, so yeah, I think right now that I'm calling a short-term high, right? So I'm not saying that the market's not going to go higher, but right now I think we put in a short-term high yesterday because 4,400 was the level that bears decided that they wanted to defend like fucking rabid bears that they are, and they wouldn't let me win. Or Hobbs or Tristan. I mean, we won, but we didn't win as much as we wanted to.
No.
So right now, Bears are defending between about 43.99 to about 44.03, right? So in this general area, a short-term high is put in. It doesn't mean we're not going to break it because we very well could. But for right now, this is the area where sellers are very apparent. So for my bullish plan, yesterday, we caught a really nice rally off of this 438.925 to about 438.550 level. Overnight, this same area held, and as you can see, we're starting to push up into that area where sellers showed themselves. So I want to see any pullbacks, any dips hold this area. We do have a 30-minute demand zone below that, and below that another 30-minute demand zone. But I wouldn't necessarily use this as places to get long. I'd probably use this more for targets than anything else. Now, if we do get bullish at open and we start to rally up into this key level of 44.05, between that and 44.1450, which is a 45-minute supply zone, I want to see us start to chop around here, build some value, maybe potentially test a little bit lower prices, and then get a bounce and go higher. And I'd be willing to long this, although this isn't as high quality for me just because of how much supply is above us. I mean, we just have a ton of supply all up in this area. This is very key structure for the market if we look back here. So I just want to be kind of careful up in this area, but I would be open into longing it as long as the conditions are right. Now, my only bearish scenario on the day is spawning traps buyers up here. So if we get very, very bullish off of Powell's speech, whatever, you start to send the market higher, I want to see if traders get trapped up here. Long bulls. That sounds weird. Bulls that are getting long.
Long bull sounds like a Indian name.
Long bull. It does.
Sound like you got your name off a reservation. They call me Long Bull.
Okay, facts. But bulls that are getting long up here, I want to see them get trapped. I want to see them in pain, and I want to take the market short. And then I probably would use this 34,384 as a target back down, because this is kind of an area where a lot of volume I think has been traded at, just looking at the chart. And I want to see us return to a area of value. So that's really my plan on the day. We'll see what happens though, because Powell can fucking completely destroy any plans that I have. So we'll see. If not, I'll just adjust.
He fucks. He fucks well. the man fucks.
The last time he didn't fuck up my plans. I'm hoping this time he doesn't fuck it up either, but we'll see.
Yeah, no, he did good. He held your plan pretty well. Like he held your life in his hands pretty well. But I don't know. Like for me, like I said, it's fairly simple. Wait for Jerome to talk and then create a plan after that. Like that's pretty much exactly where I am, right? Like I'm watching the VIX here. The VIX is pushing up while the price is pushing up. So that's off, right? The dollar's coming down while price is coming up. That's in line. ES is killing its supply zone and NQ is barely pushing up. So when things just start to not make sense, I just stay away from the market, right? Like, and right now, I mean, everything screams bullish, and I'm with that. Like, I really want the market to push, or I honestly don't care what direction it goes in. I genuinely don't care. All I know is the market's been bullish, and if only way that we stop this bullishness is if Jerome Powell puts a hard break on it, right? Like, it's the only way. But, I mean, the reason for all of this bullish behavior is just the tech sector. I mean, Microsoft is damn near at all-time highs. Like, this red line up here.
That's interesting.
Right, this red line up here is 366.84. That's the highest Microsoft has ever traded at. We're currently sitting at 360.53, $6 off all-time high. So could we potentially blow right through that and just keep going? Price discovery mode, or do we use that as a hard rejection when we get up there? I don't know.
That's gonna be interesting.
I don't know. Things are getting interesting in the tech sector. That's all.
A lot of people are going to be trying to short and long up there.
Yeah,
a lot of people are. I think. See, and to me, the way my brain works is like, I would be more short bias up there because I think a lot of retail traders are going to be trying to get long at all time highs, and they're going to get fucked. But the opposite could be true too.
All time highs get news highlights, right? So
yeah.
At all-time high, Microsoft just broke all the time high, and then everybody's trying to buy the stock. Is like
exactly.
Yeah,
like
just
which
not
makes
savvy
no
here.
It makes no sense when you think about it. It's like, why would you want to buy it when it's at the all-time high? Like it's never been here before.
It's never been here before. So
then again, but then again, it's like I feel like that's where the new levels get created for the sellers. Like I would personally, I wouldn't even short it. I would actually just stay hands off if I was.
Yeah,
if
I'm not touching. I'm not touching anything at all-time high. At all-time high, I'm just gonna watch. That's spectator territory for me. I'm just like, all right, what's going to happen up here?
But you know what would you know what I would probably end up doing though? I wouldn't mind putting like a long-term option short there, like knowing it's going to be in pain for a little bit, but maybe like a 3-month option or something.
Yeah, because in your thought process is like, how much higher can it go? How much higher can it go from all-time high? Like, come on, you guys aren't interested all the way up here.
Well, you gotta take.
and then you check on the option like a month later. It's like, oh.
Yeah, they got to be taking. They got to be taking profits up there, right? Like it would make sense. That would suck if you did it. What would really suck is if you bought options up there and bought it for like 3 months, and then 3 months goes by and it's still up there, and then the next month it just dumps out the sky. You're like, son of a bitch! If I just would have bought it for one more month.
Yeah, that should be crazy. But,
oh man, but we got people starting to pile in. I'll go. Oh yeah, you got it. You want it?
I clicked on them, but I didn't say anything. You were talking. So Escape the Matrix. What's going on, brother? Sorry, we took a couple days off, man. We took 1 day of rest. I don't trade Mondays, so you won't see me in here on Mondays. I play Spider-Man, and I gotta save the city, bro. I'm your friendly hood neighborhood Spider-Man. Like I have to go protect the city.
Neighborhood Spider-Man.
Yeah, the friendly hood Nick.
Oh my god,
the friendly hood ass neighborhood Spider-Man.
Bro, I sped through that video you sent me. The dude that lost the 20K in a day. I don't know what the hell was happening. I don't know. First off, I don't know how he was even up to 20K and how many contracts he was in because he was using Clock Tower.
It says it at the bottom. He's
in 15?
It says his position size at the bottom. I had to kind of roll around it, but yeah, it's 15 contracts. My man was up like 20,000.
He was like 25K.
Like 4 hours. Yeah, he was up like 25K. He gave it all back trying to scalp it because he got mad because he was trying to get 200 points.
That was the reason. I literally sped through it and watched him lose it all. But
my man profit target was 200 points or bust. I said, "What? You want the entire move?"
Man,
right. I mean, he started in pre-market. He was killing it. He was like, "We all know you're gonna pump." But if you look at some of his videos, like he actually be killing it. It's just that greed got him that day. So
yeah,
what's going on, Hustle for Life?
He all up in the crypto. He all up in the. I mean, his name is like all good DeFi. I was like, dang, okay.
Xavier, what's going on? We got Micaiah 55. What's going on, brother? How you doing?
What's up, everybody?
Micaiah and Escape the Matrix in the building. Whose name am I gonna fuck up first?
Both of them at the same time. You're gonna call Escape the Matrix.
I'm gonna call Micaiah Escape the Matrix, and Escape the Matrix. Your name is officially Micaiah,
which makes no sense because they
don't sound alike. They don't. There's nothing like bottom except in my brain. Yeah, in my brain, I just fuck it up. I don't know, guys. What do you want me to do? Okay,
I want you to
speaking the truth.
Do better.
All right, we bullish or bearish on the market, man. How's you guys trading been this week? I have had a green week thus far because I eliminated fucking Monday. I got wrecked up paper trading Monday. Like I was paper trading from my phone playing Spider-Man. I was getting chopped up. I was like, man, this is why I don't trade Monday. For me, again, I'm a scalper by nature. Obviously, we all are because we day trade. Like I feel like if you're a day trader, you're a scalper, right? No matter if you scalp off the 5, the 15 minute, or the hour, you're still scalping the market. But for smaller time frame scalpers, I feel like Monday was good. Like, let me know how y'all did in the chat, man. Like, I hope nobody blew their account or nothing like that. Been hard trading this week. Too much bias for me, so been staying out. Okay, awesome. Yeah, I mean, pretty much. I feel like as long as you were long bias, you were all right. There was a couple short opportunities as well. I mean, it is what it is. They're short, long, whatever. You can do whatever you want, man. Nobody can tell you which way to trade. But how you guys enjoying? I blew my account. Damn, twice. That's why you was asking for that code. Yeah, I leave Mondays alone, folks. Like it's a new rule for me. Like, and it's been working out great, honestly. Haven't day traded, but long-term portfolio is, of course, is green. Let's get it.
That's
good. I mean, if you're in tech, I mean, you're cooking right now, baby. Did you notice
the volatility index shot up today? It gapped up, and now it's coming back down. That was kind of interesting.
Yeah, it gapped. I was tripping because I had to turn like be adjacent off and then on so I could get true levels. I was like, what the heck is going on with the volatility index? It's like, oh, Jerome Powell's coming across stage. Thanos is here.
Thanos about to snap his fingers and get rid of one of the sides, the bulls of the bears. Makai says he's been short bias all day. There's been no decent pullbacks for over a week. Nuts. Yeah. I think what ended up happening, to be honest with you, is I think a lot of people were short bias just based off the fact that we dumped so far. Like, I mean, even I was a little short biased, but I do remember saying, I think you go back and check the tape, I was like, it looks like we're kind of putting an inverse hedge. Well, I said on Monday, I'm almost positive. I said it looks like we could be setting up for an inverse head and shoulders here, just off of what I was seeing, and I was kind of right, but whatever. I didn't expect this type of rally to happen, though. I don't think anybody had this type of rally in their fucking book.
You mean last Monday?
Yeah, last Monday.
Okay.
Last Monday, I said that there was inverse head and shoulders, and I said that but I didn't expect a rally like this. I mean, we were pretty good with not really trying to short this rally, but Jesus Christ,
look at the fucking tape.
Oh, is it blank?
Just went bare.
Yeah, I mean he's about to be on. I actually have the speech pulled up.
Oh, you got it pulled up?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, I couldn't find it. Let me pause the music then. Yeah, I'm curious to see what he got to say. I'm gonna be watching his tape.
It's a RNS Centennial speech.
What if he just come out and be like, "Yeah, bro, send all this shit, bro. Let's get it." Then drop the fight and leave. Send everything, bro. We good.
The market's looking bullish at the moment. There's not much. We may be able to push up to 44.12. Just looking at the tape.
Yo,
there's not
ES
many
is
orders.
Going crazy right now.
I'll just let this dust settle.
Oh yeah, I'm not touching this shit. He ain't even came on stage. This the 30-second wait period. Everybody already going crazy. Bye.
9:15 hit. They was like, yeah, it's time to go.
Let's get it.
Remember, I said short term top. Short term. That meaning very short.
I'm bullish all the way. I think this shit's about to fucking fly.
I mean, yeah, it's gonna break.
I ain't changing my bias. If this shit sells off, it needs to sell off. But if I'm biased for the Bulls. These motherfuckers been winning. I'm just gonna rock with the winning team until they prove me wrong.
I don't know though, man. Like, even if this thing does rally, like, I still want to look for potential trap sellers. Like, I think potential trap buyers. Like, I think that may be the better move, especially for news events like this. A lot of the times, that's what ends up happening. Like, we rally. And then everybody
I'm
gets
not going to
bullish.
trade the news, so
No. I know.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying, everybody gets bullish off of the news, and then we drop. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. But I don't know. It's a hope. It's a dream.
US 10-years coming down. NQ's pushing up.
I think
ES is almost done with this 4-hour supply zone. ES is out of here. 44.04 was fucking key resistance. But again, the VIX is just weird. Like, it's just not moving. All of this price action on ES and the VIX is at a fucking standstill. It's like, bro,
the VIX has sold off quite a bit though.
This thing on?
He's on now, is he?
No, I'm talking about the VIX.
No. Xavier said he's on now, but I have the thing pulled up and it's still loading. This is from the Fed Reserve, and this is live, so I mean, I guess it should be delayed, but
not that damn delayed. 9:15 Eastern. He's on now. Post a link in the chat, Xavier.
I don't know if he
or
can.
drop it drop it on Twitter so we can find it, or tell us where it is. You can post a link. You just have to not put .com or whatever it is. Like, you just got to tell us where to find it, Xavier. If we can find it, we'll put it on. I don't know where the fuck it is. Let me type in Jerome Powell. Jerome Powell live. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see if he's on Yahoo Finance.
No, I'm right, because I'm looking at another streamer now. He's got the same live up that we got up.
Oh, okay.
This motherfucker also has fucking 2,000 people watching him right now, which is insane.
Yeah, I mean, he's probably been there.
Yeah, he's got 117 subs.
Yeah.
I'm saying.
Wait, 117 subs?
117,000. Sorry, my bad.
Oh, I was like 117.
He's got 117 subs. This motherfucker,
he's
killing it, bro.
1,000 people watching. I'm like, damn, that's one hell of a ratio there. That's one hell of a ratio.
He fucking hit the algo strong.
Yeah, he did.
So 50% bullish, 50% bearish. I like it.
Man. All right, here we go. Let the dumpage begin, or the pumpage.
All right, here we go. He's on. The funny thing is, I wonder if he's actually really going to address the market, like, at all.
It doesn't matter.
I know.
Yeah, it doesn't even matter. Like, if this dude's up there, like, he's dumping.
Well, on the book, there's a ton of supply, so ton of ask on the tape right now. Not a lot of bid, so.
We're at supply, so we're literally starting a day.
Great to see so many faces that I know. We have current staff and alumni.
Oh, look, they fixed their fucking mic situation.
And this has been a great turnout, and I'm really looking forward to it.
I can't hear it. I can hear it, but it's really low.
We're just arriving today.
I'll turn it up. It's down.
We have been here
oh, that's why.
Celebrating for a couple of days. On Monday, we had a fantastic presentation by Jaime Marquez.
Lady, get off the stage. Nobody cares.
About the division's history.
Hey, nobody came here to see you.
And that was followed by a great discussion that was kicked off by Beth Kaiser. And then yesterday we hosted the world premiere of Janice Shack Marquez's video interviewing past and present staff, which was very entertaining and included some embarrassing before and after photos.
Okay, nobody cares.
And so, you know, we've been having a great time. A highlight
Oh, there's
of the week
Powell. There
so
he is.
far for me.
He's
Oh
wearing-
shit, he's there.
All the fun
He's
and
wearing
There
a
he
weird
is.
tie
people,
though.
are
Oh
recovering.
shit.
And I have to say, one of the biggest shocks for me was that
Oh boy.
Bill Washer
Out of
has
selling.
some funny stories that I've never heard. I've worked with Bill for 26 years, and I eat lunch with him almost every day. And apparently, he's been holding out on me. So as much fun as Monday and Tuesday were, I'm really excited about today's conference. We have 2 terrific papers. We have 2 panel sessions and a number of illustrious speakers. So I think it should be really good. Now, my main job here this morning is to introduce
I really
Chair
hope this
Powell.
isn't okay. Yeah, I'm
So
about to say,
you're
don't drag
all
this on.
already familiar with his many
Don't drag this
accomplishments,
on.
his
Get to the
brilliant
fucking point. You know what we came to
and if
see.
you know him at all, his
Exactly.
clever wit. But I actually want to call out how great it is to work for Jay. He is.
Jay. Now we on first name basis, huh?
Jay.
Okay, all right.
Oh,
Jay,
not even Jerome. It's
shy
Jay.
and tells us if we've missed the mark, which is very important. in
you gonna do the degenerate
So
gambler and long it?
introduce
All
him
right.
to the staff of RNS.
I
He
would
has
strongly
really,
suggest
really
you
loves the
long
nerdy
like
details of the
after
economy.
he speaks, or
he could be.
never
one of
mind. Do whatever you want. Like,
and
let's
so
see.
that's why we invited him to kick off our event today, even though if you look at the agenda, you will see he's the only one on the agenda who was never a member of RNS. But we made an exception and invited you to speak this morning, Jay. So without
Hey,
any
yo,
more, I
is
would
this
like
like
to
is this
welcome Chair Powell.
pre-recorded? Because they already have the fucking thing up that she's gonna say before she says it. That's weird. On the see?
They probably
Thank you
have
very
the
much,
speech.
Stacey.
Thank you very much, Stacy, for your kind words.
That's
and
weird.
for the chance to
You
be part of
gonna
this
speak it
wonderful
before it say
celebration.
it.
Welcome
saying.
to those who are here and
I
also
did it. Who
those
gives a
listening
fuck? It's a
remotely.
free eval. Let's get it. Let's get
And
it.
statistics today to celebrate the division's centennial.
Oh,
Let's
you
get
crazy
it.
boy.
It's
You
also
crazy.
humbling to see so many Fed people who served the institution over long and distinguished careers and have returned for this great occasion.
They already know.
I hope
his
it
speech.
works
Seeing
out.
some
Man. I
of
hope
you
it works
reminds
out.
me that the Fed is one of those places where you can work for a decade or so and still feel like a newbie. You know who you are.
They just want to
So
make
for those
sure. Market
listening
just want to
outside the
make sure
room,
he
I'll
ain't finna
just
say
very
no dumb
briefly
shit.
outline research and statistics
I don't think
jobs
he
and
is.
responsibilities.
I don't think he's
A
gonna
large
say
part
anything
of the
about the
division,
market.
along with other
I don't think
divisions
so
of the
either.
Board of
I
Governors,
think that's why they put all the fucking
engage in
supply
producing
back
what is
up.
called the
I
Teal
think this
Book,
is all
which
fluff.
contains the staff's forecast for the U.S. economy, as well as a great deal of data and analysis on
Let's hope he's
financial
done
and
by the time the
economic
market
issues.
actually
The
opens.
Teal Book is
I want him
delivered
talking into the market.
to the Federal Open Market Committee, or FOMC, before our regular meetings. Outside of the FOMC meeting cycle, RNS deploys its experts wherever they're needed across the Board of Governors, providing crucial inputs to work on financial stability,
Mhm.
bank merger analysis, and many
Mhm.
other topics. RNS is also an ongoing source of specialized information for policymakers. If board members have questions about even the most arcane workings of some aspect of the economy, and trust me, we very often do have questions, they can send an email and in no time be sitting down with some of the best informed experts on that subject. Much of the time, these are RNS economists. For example, during the pandemic, when questions arose about how the computer chip shortage was affecting auto production, or how businesses were responding to the backlog at U.S. ports, RNS gave detailed briefings on these novel subjects. Among its other activities, the Board of Governors is one of the world's most productive economic research institutions, and a large share of that work takes place inside RNS, supporting our mission of promoting a healthy economy and a strong and stable financial system.
Lord have mercy.
I've talked about research. Let's talk about statistics.
Oh,
In
let's
addition
talk
to
about statistics.
gathering
Shall
data from
we?
many sources outside of the Federal Reserve, RNS is itself the source of some of the most important data on the economy and on the financial system.
This is a snooze fest.
Our consumer credit data
Yeah.
provide financial markets and the public with a vital indicator of the strength of household spending and balance sheets. Each month, the industrial production report gives us insights into
All right,
how
bull
well
market's
certain
back
sectors
on.
of the
Run this shit
economy,
back up.
especially in the
Powell ain't talking
manufacturing
about
realm, are operating.
Powell ain't talking about
RNS is
shit.
also
Send the market.
responsible for the financial accounts of the United States,
Then again,
quarterly compendium compendium of assets, liabilities, and transactions for segments of the economy. And every 3 years, RNS produces the well-known Survey of Consumer Finances, a premier source of detail and insights about how households are faring in the economy. The latest survey was published just last month. These and other data sets
US dollars getting a bounce here.
amount to a significant
Taking
public
pictures of
service.
them. Was that a beer?
I want to now focus in a little more detail on the U.S. economic forecasts, which I would say
They got
is
brews in the morning,
perhaps the
huh?
most important of RNS's roles. And it's the aspect of RNS's work
Oh, nobody cares.
with which I most frequently engage.
Okay, what are you?
I think it's not an
We do, Jay.
exaggeration to say that the U.S. economy baseline forecast produced by RNS, along with the simulation,
We are at 2 hour supply on the NASDAQ at 385, 15,385.
constitute
We haven't
the
been able to
largest
break
part
back
of the
above
essential bedrock that
412.
enables our pursuit.
So for
of our
me,
dual
I will be
mandate.
bearish up here. I'm not going to trade this. I'm just going to wait. But
Now, some
this looks
people
kind of
are
bearish up
just
here. Just a
attracted
heads up.
to extremely challenging tasks.
Mhm.
And the people of RNS are manifestly those people, having chosen just such a task in forecasting the path of the U.S. economy 8 times a year for FOMC meetings and then regular updates between meetings. They do this work on the biggest stage and with the highest stakes of any forecasters, knowing that the economy so very often surprises us. I've observed several qualities that are required to do this work well and that our RNS colleagues exemplify.
There's a lot of buying up here at
And
the
I'll start
highs, but
with
there's also a lot of
intent.
selling,
Yeah.
which
To
is
the work.
weird.
Which requires pretty much, as I see it, everything you have to
Stuck.
give. I think you have to love this work of forecasting to do it well. The job also requires integrity. Policymakers count on RNS to give us their best thinking,
I'm with
not
you.
shading
I like
the
shorts up
results
here.
for any reason. Regular
Yeah,
forecasting
I
also
just think the
demands a
market's
systematic approach
kind of
and a high
playing with
degree of
its food
intellectual
before we
rigor.
go, before
Ask
we come
Stacey and
down.
her
But
colleagues to
I'm-
explain
I would
a
need to
certain
see
aspect of
sellers
forecasting.
actually show up
You'll
to
find
short
you have
it.
a clear
They
explanation
haven't actually
grounded in a
shown up
rigorous
yet.
framework. Of course, that
Still
intellectual
trap
rigor has to be
territory for me.
combined with flexibility and agility. Economic models do a reasonably good job of capturing the working of the economy over past decades.
Well, I will
Of course,
say
even
this is a
with
bummer of a
state-of-the-art
speech.
models and even in relatively calm
Yeah, this
times,
is trash.
the economy frequently surprises us. But our economy is flexible and dynamic and is subject at times to unpredictable shocks, like a global financial crisis or a pandemic. At those times, forecasters have to think outside of the models. A dominant aspect of the future path of the economy is high uncertainty. And so, this work also takes large doses of both courage and humility. And finally, judgment. To complement this rigorous process and these qualities, there has to be good judgment based on knowledge and experience. So, to wrap up, perhaps the most important legacy of
Oh,
the
thank
past
God. It's
century
done
for
before
the
the market
Division of
opens. I'll be right
Research
back. I'm going
and
to go pee
Statistics
before the market opens.
the resilience, the creativity, the energy, the rigor, and the commitment.
So that's it? That's all he got?
Risen to the
Shit,
many
we about to run
challenges
this shit.
that it has faced and that this nation has faced in that long span of history. So, on behalf of the board and the FOMC, thank you for that and hearty congratulations on your first 100 years of service to the public.
Let's go.
Thank
Get out of here. That's it. Let's go. All right. Now we can do whatever the fuck the market plans on doing. If that's all he's gonna say, then go ahead and keep the party going, Bulls. Send this shit. Now, where were we? Oh,
What a
500.
fucking nothingness.
Yeah, he's done, bro. That's
Ah,
it.
thank God. Thank
All right,
God.
Now
All
we
right.
go to 500 because that was a nothing burger. The market's about to fucking rip because I do not think the market thought that he was going to say nothing. I think the market probably thought we were going to get something from him. We got nothing. So let's see.
I'm glad we got nothing. That was horrible.
That was so not important. All
But
right, we
I
got
mean-
wholesale numbers at 09, 10 a.m. Eastern. Other than that, the slate is clear into about 142, and we got all of these Fed speakers speaking. But yeah, I think if he didn't dump the market, I think the market is going to continue to push because I mean that was literally the only catalyst to stop the market, and that was not a catalyst. So, and you can see the buyers are already starting to step back into the market here.
And Ding, 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 ding. We're open. Oh God, they just put a shit ton of liquidity above us. No, we are open. We are open for business. Escape. Oh wait. First off, it feels naked without.
Oh, he had to make his speech only 15 minutes because the market was opening in 15 minutes.
Yeah,
that makes sense.
Yeah, thank God he got off the fucking mic. Escape says I am long 38650.
That's the high, that's the top so far. That's the fucking top.
Yeah, it looks like we're starting to kind of pull back, but I do want to see strong buying out the gates, even after this pullback. We're in an uptrend, so we'll see if buying kind of starts to continue. There's a lot of selling down here, though.
Nah, this shit's about to push.
I mean, it looks that way.
We out of here, baby. Like I said, if I got to choose between buyers and sellers, I'm picking buyers every time. Lately, that seems to be the thing to do.
Yeah.
But this supply zone, man, this bitch is a doozy. Look at these motherfucking bears. Oh, boy.
So this could be a short-term top that we're putting in. I do think we gotta pull back at some point, right? Like, right?
Bro, I don't know. I don't know. I just wait, see what the fuck this market wants to do. We got nothing really happening on the VIX or the dollar. Like everything's just kind of holding off, you know, looking like it wants to push out of this. Like I said, I'm more bullish than bearish on this, but
this is a very lackluster open, to say the least.
Agreed. Boom, 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 boom.
It just looks like
there you go. There go the bulls.
It just looks like they're really struggling to bring price higher.
I think they're just eating up liquidity. They're trying to push out of this shit. I just think we're 1 minute in, couple minutes in. Let's see, give it a shot. Give it a old hee-ho.
But guys, I've been saying we got to pull back at some point for over a week.
Yeah, bro. Like, I mean, it sounds like the right thing to say, but like for me, like I just don't see it. Like I'm not finna fight this trend. Like I'm not gonna continue to look for short opportunities if the market continues to show me that it can move higher. And right now, like the market is moving higher right in front of our face, and we're still like, they kind of look weak up here. It's like, no, the fuck they don't. Like these motherfuckers are continuing to buy this shit. You want to see them look weak because it's a supply zone, but look at this shit. Just take all bias away and just the market's going up, and we're about to hit previous day high.
Well, ES is already above.
ES is already above previous day high. So it's like,
but for me, I guess for me, like I don't want to be a buyer up here. Like I would not.
No, I'm not saying that at all.
Yeah, I know you're not. I'm just saying, like I don't want to be a buyer up here. I just can't because it's too far gone for me to be a buyer at this point at this current level. I would much rather short the market here, knowing that the short might not last a long time.
I was about to say, as long as you understand the volatility of the shorts.
Yeah, but
me on ES, I'm a buyer back down at 4,400. If we can come back down there, depending on how high this rally goes, we can come back down there. I'll be a buyer down there.
But at the same time,
I'm a seller up at 4,410.
At the same time, though, like I think about the opposite too. Is like if we trap a whole bunch of sellers or buyers, and then we start to stop out a whole bunch of buyers at the low, then we could have a long squeeze, so to speak. So I keep that in mind too a little bit, especially when the price is so overextended like it is now. A lot of people are bullish now, and I think it's a little late to be on the bull train. So
I agree that it's a little late to be bullish on this particular move, but as far as being bullish, I think it's the right thing to do or the right thing to be on the day. You just got to let trades play out because the market's showing you that, you know, it can push. Right.
Yeah.
I mean, we're about to push for that 500 level. Right. So
Yeah, I'm
I think
definitely
that's
not
the
stepping in the way of
next.
this fucking moving train.
Hell no. Look at this fucking candle. On the 1 minute, this candle looks fucking nuts.
But yeah, ES is still trying to push up, so yeah, we'll see.
We'll get a pullback into I'll look for pullbacks into 390 or 4400 for shit.
Xavier says we don't know what the fuck it's gonna do, but go to the right. Yeah, that's true.
That's it.
Continue going to
That's
the right.
it. Exactly. That's it. No matter what we all think, like the market's gonna do one thing that we know for sure. It's gonna go to the right, up and to the, or it's gonna go to the right. That's it. You can't even say up and to the right. It's just to the right. All right. I'm just drawing a little box here on Bookmap so I can get prepared to potentially take a trade here.
That's on NQ.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, NQ moved a lot more than ES has.
Well, ES was moving a lot during the pre-market though.
Yeah, that's true.
All right, ES just got rejected on the false breakout of the previous day high, and now we look kind of weak at these highs, but NQ got rejected at the previous day high, and now it looks kind of weak. But I'm watching for a potential pullback into 376 on NQ. What is it? 378 through roughly about 364 on NQ, and then on ES, I'm looking for a pullback into 43.99, basically right where we are right now. I want to see buyers step in at this area here.
All right, we're coming back up. We just got a nice CVD divergence up here. We got some selling factored in with that failed breakout. So I kind of want to see a retest, and then I might look to take this short. It's kind of my plan right now. Oh, nice, made $400. Good job, Escape. Yeah, I definitely do not want to short down here. This is gonna break down. It'll just break down without me, but I wouldn't mind seeing this come back up, put in a lower high here, and I'll look to short this market down. Maybe put in a lower high around like 44.05. Retest that structure.
$15,400 psych level. Yeah, could be. I like price long. Like I said, we're in an uptrend. If we come back down and we break some structure, I'll be interested in shorts. But for now, I'm very, very bullish. I think the market wants 500 today. So let's see what happens. Good job to check the matrix. See, got your name right. Escape the matrix. Took a quick short there and out. Nice. Let's get it.
Yeah, we just rotated down to the highest volume on the day. Funny enough. Popped right back up.
Mm-hmm. That was a fucking killer ass 5-minute candle.
Yeah, we really have ate up
That shit just stopped out all shorts. Now, what they
Yeah.
gonna do with it? The question is, what they gonna do with it at these highs right here? This is the true test for buyers right here.
Yeah. Are we gonna make a higher high here, or continue this
Exactly.
uptrend, or
Exactly.
is this gonna be a failure?
Failure.
It's looking-
Death. Looking real fucking deadly right now. This is a fucking battle right now. A battle royale.
All right, I'm short here.
Yeah, I was about to say that was a good short. That might have been this fucking short right there. That failure was not what you wanted to see if you're a bull. Not at all. Bulls have to hold this box right here. If they can't hold this box, bears are about to take the fuck over. That was a very, 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 very bearish rejection right there. So let's see what happens.
My target is going to be 4394. So we'll see.
Yeah, they eating up all bullshit. They like, nope, we ain't having it today. We are not fucking having this shit today. Y'all getting cooked, and y'all know y'all getting cooked.
Yeah, we just got to break below this area of fair value. We'll be good to go. This is the area where we kind of gotta get through. We got a lot of volume up here,
shit.
so
Holy shit.
what's up?
Nvidia, Apple, and Microsoft took the fuck off, and they're all giving that candle back. This definitely might have been the rejection. Let's see if they hold it though. This was a big ass fucking push in the morning. I didn't even see this push. Let me show you the stocks real quick. I just looked like holy shit.
Coming back up. I really want to see this fail. Well, it looks like we're trying to push though.
Yeah, the Nvidia is eating that shit back up. Microsoft is eating that shit back up. I just think for me to get short, I need to see a break of structure. If we don't see a break of structure, I'm just looking at every aggressive pullback is just that. Like, it's just a pullback for the market to go higher. Until we break some type of structure, like, I'm just not going to be looking for shorts. I just can't. Like, I just cannot. And in bears look very, very aggressive on that sale, and we haven't got back above their head. So I think your trade could very, very much work out. For me to want to get short, I want to see some type of structure broken by the bears, and right now I'm not seeing it. I just see more and more buying of all dips.
Yep, that is true. Yeah, I'm about to get stopped out here for a 4-point loss. Or no, I'm 3-point loss. I might already be stopped. Actually, I'm not looking. I'm very close to being stopped.
NQ is still trying to sell off though. Like I said, it's a good short in my opinion. I think what you saw is what you saw. It was a very clean double top and lower high that got put in. I think that you're spot on with your positioning. Yeah, I just need to see a break of structure for me to be interested in the shorts. Yeah, but I understand exactly what you saw.
There's definitely a tug of war going on.
And
right here.
Much more aggressive selling than buying right now, for sure.
But I'm still in this trade. I haven't been stopped out yet. I was pretty close. I was about a tick away.
That's been your MO lately.
Yeah, I was a tick away from being stopped out right there. But I'm still in, and I think if the selling can get going here, we could be straight. We got a lot of supply above us, so we'll see. Is somebody like edging behind you?
Is somebody doing what?
Edging their yard?
Edging what?
Mowing?
No.
Oh,
do you hear like
it's like a buzzing.
My cord sometime will get caught on all of this other electronic shit I got going on. So, hang on.
They just flashed a lot of bids, but then they removed them. Interesting.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know.
All right. They're trying
It's
to.
still,
Hmm?
It still sound like it's static.
No, you're good now. You're good now.
Oh.
All right, I'm looking for a strong breakdown here. I'm starting to see way more sellers on the tape. If they don't get rewarded here, then I may just cut early. This is the third test of this area, so if we fail,
It's a big fucking fight down here. This is real. Uh-oh. Here they come. Here they come. Get your money, baby.
yeah, we're still holding. We're just putting we're just putting in lower highs, and we're also putting in higher lows. So
I just think this would go either way, man.
oh no, it can definitely go either way. So I'm thinking about cutting this.
Apple just looks so strong right now. Apple looks strong. It's at 183 and trying to push above the previous candle high. Microsoft and Nvidia haven't pushed back up, but they're holding the previous day high. So, and then of course Tesla selling off is never good. So, yeah, for me that was a failed break structure. So, I'll be looking for longs down here. Here come the bulls. Stop out all the shorts.
Yeah, I guess the question is, are we trapping longs here or are we trapping shorts here? That's the
It's all gonna depend on if we get 409 underwater. Right here, it still looks like a trap for shorts. I mean for longs, because we're failing to get this guy underwater that originally sold the market up there at 414. So if bulls can't get him, if bears can't get him underwater, he's gonna push this market further down. But if bulls can get that push, then we'll break out of this. That's why I say like this is kind of like the make it break it morning area, right? Like whatever happens here is gonna decide whether we have a pullback to go higher or we just go straight up from here. That might have just been the pullback. So dollar's pushing down. The VIX is trying to push up. Just a bunch of mixed signals for me. So I'm just gonna stay away for now.
Yeah, for me, I'm still in short. I'm just gonna hold this. I'm gonna let it play out. Either it's gonna work out or it's not. I'm in 5 contracts on MES. Like it's not really that big of a loss if I take it. I'm risking a little bit like 3 points. So like looks like it's gonna come get me. I'm about a tick away now.
Trying to get above those highs right now.
Yep, there you go. All right, got me.
Sorry, man. I think it was a good trade. I think that again, like going against the trend, you just got to make sure that you're willing to take profits a lot sooner. Like that box, bottom down there.
I was never in profit, so.
Oh, he said, "Well, you don't have to worry about that because I wasn't in profit at all." So there's that. Yeah, it's just that's the one reason why I'm not fighting this fucking trend. Like I understand we're at supply and all that, and shorts could work out. It's just for me, like look at Apple. Like Apple's about to push 184 now. It's trying to get above its high. So like the market being this bullish, like it's just dangerous to it's a lot more risky to chase I shouldn't say chase, to trade the shorts. I'm not saying that they can't work out. It's just for me, like in order for me to trade them, like they have to break structure. Like, and I'm not I'm not even changing that at all. I'm like, nope. If you don't break structure, I'm just looking at it as a pull. Like, I don't care how aggressive that selling is. I don't fucking care. If you don't break structure, which they never did, then I'm long, you know? So I'm just not going to long here. I'm just going to wait to see what kind of happens out of this. Like, I want to see us break out of this. I think a good long could have potentially been on NQ at 388, stop below the lows there, but I didn't take it just because this morning volatility never gives me good vibes. Like, I don't know. As much as I try to talk myself into saying, like, dude, all you had to do was trade here, is like seeing it in real time. Like, this volatility is just not something that I feel comfortable trading. So I just wait. Because again, now we just put in another lower high. Like, as aggressive as that push was, it's still just putting in more lower highs, but the bulls keep coming back. So, but then the VIX is playing games over here. Like, I don't fucking know what the fuck's happening. I think we got news in 9 minutes too. So that's another reason why I'm not trading. So we got wholesale inventories in about 9 minutes. So in about 9 minutes, I think the market will kind of make its final decision, what it's trying to do for this morning bid. So, or ask. Apple again putting in another lower high, but Nvidia is losing its mother-loving mind right now, breaking above the highs, pushing aggressively up past 464 for Nvidia. It is outperforming Microsoft and Apple, which also never gives me warm and fuzzies. The fact that Nvidia is flying and the rest of them, I mean, they're still up, don't get me wrong, but they're not continuing the push. So here's the 400 level on NQ. ES is pushing 4407. I like shorts potentially at 4410. Not for me, but if that's something that interests you, go right ahead. But for me, I'm still waiting for NQ to come back to 43.99, basically 4400. And then I'll look for longs over there. For shorts, like I said, I'm not interested in shorts until we break structure. If we break structure, get a change of character of some sort, I'll be interested in shorts. But till that happens, like, kiss my ass, so what?
Kiss my ass, so what? Just a lot of buying going on up here.
Yeah. And I think once it pushes, if it pushes out of this, it's going to go fucking crazy. Like crazy. Because we got above this supply zone. And again, that's the way I'm looking at this. Like above this supply zone, I think we truly push into 533. Like just kind of like what I was talking about yesterday. I think the market is continuing to push until CPI. Like, and the next logical level is 533 today, potentially 567, and then 656 if we get super bullish. There's literally nothing above our heads once we get above the supply zone. So for me, it's a push into the 500s today for sure. If we break this structure, then it's going to be a lot of bulls. That bear that came into the market, he's going to be underwater if he doesn't stop price here, which means he's going to be stopped out soon, and then he's going to start fueling this rally. So, and there goes ES pushing above 4407.50. Now NQ is at previous day high. ES is well above previous day high. We got Apple pushing above its previous high candle. Nvidia again on crack cocaine this morning, methamphetamines even. But this is a double top on NQ. So again, this seller is trying to defend his position up here. So just things to note.
It's a selling the fuck off.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
What is wrong with my VIX? Like, it's just not. I mean, it's been pushing down, but it's not like aggressively selling off. Like, I'm used to seeing this VIX push down nicely, but it's still holding below VWAP nicely. Looks good, man. Looks bullish. Looks bullish. We just got to get above the previous day high, and I think we continue to push. 2K on day one. Let's get it. They're bouncing it off the 50 SMA on the 1 minute, been doing all week. Yeah, I mean, bulls are in control, man. Like, I'm no freight train running for me. Like I said, I like Justin's trade idea. I thought it was a good idea. He got everything he wanted out of the trade. It just didn't work out. The market just didn't agree. That's okay.
Yeah, I mean, I'm still short biased. I'm still looking for ways to potentially get short.
Mm-hmm.
I just want to be Man, I got in a little late too. I hesitated a little bit on getting in short there, but there's a lot of supply above us right here, which I kind of like. And sellers are starting to kind of try to show themselves. So I'm gonna be a little bit more patient on this short. Plus, we got that news, so we'll see what happens there. But I definitely like. I still like short.
News in 5. Dollar still selling off like crazy. Trying to get above these highs up here. 416 is the high now. So we did place a new high. It's just trying to push out of this area is deemed pretty challenging for the market. But let's see if we can't get a push. Like I said, I'm adamant. I'm an adamant believer. Justin's short bias, and again, that doesn't mean that we don't agree. It just means that he's looking for an opportunity in the moment, right? Like what I'm looking at is, I think that this market wants 533. I think that shorts would be valid if we get some type of break of structure. Right now, we're breaking above structure for bulls. That's bullish, or we're trying to break above structure, I should say. We haven't done anything yet, but we're trying to get above this structure, this previous day high, which is the previous structure. If bulls can get above there and hold support, then this market will continue to push, right? ES has already done it. Like ES is already above its previous structure. So you expect NQ to pretty much do the same thing. I think it's just waiting on one stock in particular, and I think that stock is Apple, right? Once Apple gets going, well, Apple's already gotten going, but Microsoft is kind of just a dead flower right now. So see, if this area fails, it's just another failure by the bears, and this may actually be fucking short. Like this is just another failure. Like this does not give me warm and fuzzies to long or short the market. Like I think Justin's on to the right idea. For me, I need a break of structure, but this is a double top, right? This is a perfect fucking double top on the 5 minute, and I would need to see this fail, right? It looks good. We're double topping inside of supply. I just need to see this structure break, right? For me to trade this, I need to see sellers truly step into the market, right? So I'm just going to be patient and wait. I'm not ruling out shorts. I just need to see shorts show up. I don't want to be the first seller. I don't want to be the first buyer either. I just want to see some type of structure break. And thus far, the break of structure happened in the pre-market, right? I could have got long right here at 370, but I didn't. So if I didn't get long there, I'm just going to chill.
Oh, we just gapped down. No, I kind of missed the entry a little bit, but I'm just gonna wait and see if we pull back. We finally broke this little structure that we had, so I'm gonna we broke this little uptrend structure. So if we sell off and come back and retest it, then I'll get in short.
Yeah, I think that was the retest, honestly, on the 1 minute anyway.
I saw it.
Yeah, I think the original test was the one you got in. That was the first buyer. Sorry, that was the first buyer territory. And now, for me, this was that double top was your actual entry, in my opinion.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, that was the one we've been working on, right? Like the one you keep saying, man, I keep being impatient. It's like, yeah, don't be that first seller, bro. Just wait. Because now, if you would have waited and got in on this after you saw the pullback, you would have been in a much better position. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Sometimes what I'll do is I'll paper trade it, the first one, just to get that FOMO out of the way. Be like, okay, let me see what would have happened, right? Just to prove to myself like being patient is the way to go. But this is also a double bottom for the longs, right? So
yeah,
who the fuck knows?
Like
I don't fucking know.
Yeah, it's like
I'm paper trading short back to the opening range. Yeah, I agree. Failed to confirm high as support on my chart. Yeah, we're again, to me, this is consolidation until it's not, right? If we look on a smaller time frame, there's opportunities, right? Like you could easily, right? And I'm not, again, I need more practice doing this. But the more I see it, the more I realize how Dave teaches. Dave FX, shout out to him, man. Thank you for the retweet, brother, if you're watching. But shout out to him, man, because I never thought about supply and demand being fractal, right? Like looking at things on the lower time frames and literally just looking at it as supply and demand, because that's what the fuck it is. Like it truly is supply and demand, just on smaller time frames. I need a little bit more practice trading on the 1 minute, right? Just trusting myself on the 1 minute.
Oh,
But if you look at this, you could just trade this consolidation using supply and demand, right? If I was to trade this, right, I'd be looking for longs, potentially looking for longs in this area, right? Why? Because we've been unable to break structure to the downside. Therefore, anywhere in 381 or 390 down to roughly about 374, where this breaker structure is on the 1 minute. Here, let me blow this up so you guys can see it a little better. But this area is decent for long opportunities because we've been unable to break structure down here. So it makes sense. It makes 100% sense. And to be quite honest, like I've been practicing trading these on the 1 minute because you get better entries, right? If you took this supply area right here, right, you just drew a box at this supply. And that's why I said for Justin's trade, I wouldn't have taken it because I don't like being the first buyer or first seller, because I feel like once you see the initial selling come in, you're the first seller. And now we're breaking down this, we're trying to break through this structure. So once we break this structure, now I'm interested in shorts at this level, right? Like that's how you trade this, right? So you look and say, okay, where did we break down from? All right, so somewhere in this level is where I'd be interested in taking the market short if we can break below this low, right? Because that's when the change of character comes in. If the change of character doesn't come in, now I'm looking at this as a potential inverse head and shoulders because we failed to break below the low. We had a spring straight down. So we have a head right here, a potential shoulder right here. I wait for a break of structure, and then I wait for price to come back down and trade this shoulder right here. So I'm looking at entries at 385 to go long. But if we break below here, now my thesis changes because this signifies a change in character right here, right? Or you could look at change in character being all the way down here. There's multiple ways you can look at this. See? And here come the sellers. So Justin, like I said, he was right. I just think he was I just thought he was early. And I know he's been working on that. So I'm like, bro, just wait. You don't be patient.
Yeah, I wanted to get in short up here. Just mistime my entry. It's all good.
Yeah, but now you got clear selling. So for me on the 5 minute, we go back to the 5 minute. Now we got clear sellers into the market, right? Like they tried, bulls tried. They tried, right? And it's not really over for them because guess what? There's another 5 minute demand zone, 5 minute demand zone that we just tapped into. But I'm looking at this as potential break of structure or a spring to go back up to the upside, just because the market is overall bullish, right? So we'll see what happens at this level. If nothing happens, obviously, if we close inside of this box, it's irrelevant. Nothing happens, and I just continue to look for setups, right? So I like this. Now we're getting some confirmation one way or the other, right? And I'm cool with that. What you scrolling over there?
Oh, I fucked up. I had a limit order placed down here, and I legit almost didn't take it off for my initial trade.
Good.
I took it off though.
All right. Shorts are coming in. I'm paper trading short, up 4K in the paper, sold at the bottom of opening range. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah. Like I said, I think we still go up to the fives if we don't hold this bottom down here, right? My thesis is still the same until we break structure. If we break below 329, I change my thesis. That's simple. No harm, no foul for me. I'm not taking any trades. I'm just waiting. Just waiting. Yeah, that was a beautiful short. Like I said, he was spot on. He was just early. I think what he spotted was true, but he didn't wait for price to come. Price did some tricky shit right there. Like you know what I mean? Like in my opinion, Price did some tricky shit because he did wait for the pullback, but price came down and pulled back again higher. So it stopped him out, took his liquidity, and then decided to go in the right direction. So yeah, it was just unfortunate, but you know,
it happens.
It happens. It's exactly right. It happens. And he taking it on the chin. That's what's up. So yeah, for me,
I'm actually looking for a pullback to go short again at 439,850. If we can pull back into there, I'll look to short it back down to 438,925. Be my target. But if we just keep selling, then I'll just let it sell. I'm not going to chase this. It looks like we want to keep selling, but
This tape looks mad.
It does. Because
I
a
just
lot of
looked at the
longs
tape. I'm
are
like, holy shit.
a lot of longs are
Closing their
stopping out
positions
right
out.
now. Yeah.
Yep.
But I'm hoping
They
we
selling
see
that
a
shit the fuck off.
failed rally back into this 4399 area. And there's a lot of bids there as well, so we'll see.
Jeez. What a fucking sell-off.
Mm-hmm. But now we're at the
loans. Yeah. Here
we're at
come
the value
fucking
area
loans.
low, so
Yeah, very low volume node here.
we'll
This
see
is
if we come back
basically
up.
the lows of the opening range here. So. Justin is looking for a pullback to go long. I'm looking for this market to just do something. I mean, go short. Sorry, I'm looking for this market to pull back so I can go long. But I'm not gonna long this shit until if we come all the way back up here. I'm just gonna go ahead and short it. I'm just gonna short it. Okay, thanks. I'll short it now. Thanks. Oh shit, we're popping up strong.
That's what I want to see.
Patience, young grasshopper. Patience.
Maybe retest VWAP as well.
Well, for me, we got this break of structure right here. So I'd love to see price come back into this little 5-minute demand or supply zone and then look to short it as well on NQ.
We just gotta tap into the box. Immediately got rejected.
Oh, that box that we drew on the book map?
No.
Oh.
The box I drew from 439,850 to 4,400.25. We just got tapped. We got rejected. See if we built some type of structure here.
Yeah, I'm inclined to take this short if we print a rally drop base drop. If this is a basing candle, then I'll short the highs of this area here. We got a nice little bear flag forming on the 1 minute. There's a lot of times with these continuation plays, like I end up kind of just chilling. You know what? No, I'm gonna stick to my plan. I told myself I'm only gonna trade my plan in this account. So my plan is 396 tap. We get back in there and I'll look to short the market.
You mean long it?
No, 396 on NQ. 15396. I'll be looking to short it.
Oh, you are looking for shorts, okay.
Yeah, shorts. So I'm just noticing, like I said, we had this break of structure right here at 364 and at 355. So now I'm looking at this as like, oh well, this 2-hour supply zone is 100%. We got all of that aggressive selling that came into the market up there. I'm not going to ignore that just because I'm long biased. Just want to make sure that I'm, trading what I see, not what I think. And what I see right now is a lot of aggressive selling that came into the market. And now a bunch of buyers coming into the market. So let's see if they want to, I don't know. Let's see if they give me an opportunity to short this shit up at either 8.5. 8.5 is my first area. If not 8.5, then I'll be looking at 9.6. Basically coming right back into that 2-hour supply zone right there.
Yeah, we're coming back up here. Still looking for shorts though. I'm gonna extend my box actually up a bit. I'm pulling back pretty aggressively here. This is a pretty aggressive pullback. Which I like. And give me more
So
room.
do
Oh shit!
not.
Well,
I don't like that. But let's see if we fail here.
these buyers just got real aggressive all of a sudden.
I want to see us fail here. This is right where I want to get short here, right at 385. So I'm just gonna wait to see if I see some failure here. If I don't see any failure, then I'll pass on the trade.
All right, I'm short. I got a 2-point stop. And I'm short here. Target's going to be 43.89. Back where we found those buyers before.
On the 5-minute, nice. Spy at the bottom of the box. Yep. Like I said, I was looking for shorts at 385, so we'll see what happens. Bing, 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 bing.
It's got to break view up. Looks like we're
These
coming back
bulls
up.
Have no chill, bro.
Yeah, hopefully we're not making a lower high here, but really want to see this rally fail, but you know. See if we can push back down. All right, we're pushing back down. Now we just got to break this area. I'm probably going to gauge 43.90 if we get down there, but right now buyers are really trying to hold this area, so we'll see what happens.
I took this trade on my Apex account.
Mm-hmm.
I put a limit order at 387, 15,387, and I got filled at 15,387, bro. When I tell you NQ's high of the candle was 15,387 on the dot. And I didn't even know I got filled. I just looked at it. I was like, oh shit, I actually got filled at literally the top.
Oh, nice.
And I took 2 minis. This motherfucker's up $700 right now. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go.
So dumpage!
Dump it!
Dumpage.exe, please.
Yes. Get that shit in the chat. Damn. I didn't even realize I got filled. I was like, damn, I wonder did I get filled on that trade? Because I saw the structure right there on the 1 minute. And I was like, all right, this is where I want to trade right here.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just gonna set the limit order, but too scared to do that in my actual account. So I just been kind of practicing things on the
Apex.
Apex account. So the next job of the market is just try to break structure, man, so we can fucking dump this shit again. Let this shit ride.
Escape. That's exactly what we did. We we waited for Xavier. That's what we did. We waited for a failed rally.
That's what we waited. That's
the plan on that.
Yeah, that's what I was kind of hoping for, is like a failed rally into 385, and then we catch the top over there. We're not the top, but like just try to get in. I literally so far have caught the top of this move, the top of this pullback. Yeah. I set a limit order at 387 and I got in at 387. I don't know how I got filled, because usually you got to go to 387.25.
I don't think on Apex and there on TradingView you have to break it. I think as long as it touches,
you just got to tap it. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, this motherfucker's printing. This motherfucker's printing right now.
Xavier said, "Spy at the bottom of the box, pushing. Let's go." Well, hopefully you got out. Today I'm patient. I paper trade. Yeah. And buyers were buying hard as fuck. They were scaring me. Escape. I was scared. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I was like, motherfuckers ain't buying. But
yeah, they came in tough. I didn't trade it until I saw that. Actually, I didn't even look to enter. I just set the limit order. I was like, I'm trading right here. I don't give a fuck what happens.
But buyers are
this is an Apex account. Like, I'm trading right here. All right. I'm going to sell. No, fuck that. I'm holding.
Buyers are coming right back up on our ass too. That was a failed breakdown.
Yep. I sold one contract right there.
One of them fucking
I'm out
days.
Totally right there. Fuck that. I'm out. Take my $1,000 and be done trading for the day on Apex. All right, let's see what we can find over here on
I think I'm gonna go to break even on this, because I don't like this. So if it taps me out, it taps me out.
This is the structure on the 1 minute that bulls now need to defend, right? So I think this is a good area to take some profits off the table, honestly, but we'll see what happens.
I'm
Market has to do his job down here.
Going to break even, because that was a lower high that just got put in, and we're struggling to break below the value area low on the day. So
hey man, do your thing, bro. Like shit, this motherfucker melt. Let this motherfucker melt. I think the entry that you got was spot the fuck on. It's just the market just gotta agree. Like I said, for me, I'm out, because I already know what can potentially happen in this area. So I'm just gonna let it. If it dumps below this area, I'll look to re-enter. But
fuck it. I'm moving my stop back up. I'm only risking 2 points. Like fuck it. Okay. It's like a 1.5 or 0.75. So fuck it. Like
2 tiers in a bucket. All right, let's check in on the stocks here. Apple is still failing to push any higher. Same thing on Nvidia, same thing on Microsoft. Everything just looks super weak. So ain't no thing. Justin's definitely in the right direction. It's just a matter of how strong are these bulls? How strong are these bulls at these pullbacks? Like, that's the question. So
let's check the line profile. Yeah. They're definitely putting up a fight here. So,
100%.
Let's see. Obviously, I'd like a much cleaner sell-off, but the market doesn't want to get a much cleaner sell-off.
Yeah, the market don't give a fuck about what you want. The market just wants what the market wants, which is right now the market wants to come down and let this bitch melt.
Yeah, it's just like every time we see buying, it's like it feels so aggressive compared to the selling.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the only aggressive selling we got hasn't been met with that continuation that you want to see. Instead, we just keep reversing or looking like we're ready to reverse in the opposite direction, which just does not give me warm and fuzzies. And that's why I sold down there, because look at these fucking buyers, bro. These motherfuckers have no chill.
No, they don't.
That's why in this market, I just feel more comfortable taking shorter targets, bro. It's like, nah, just give me my money down here. And I'm not trying to sit through these long fucking holds, because they can be very rewarding. But you know what else is rewarding? Taking my fucking profits and getting the fuck out. You know what I mean? Like, that shit feels good. Give me my fucking money. Let me get the fuck out. Like, I don't need to sit through these pullbacks. It's just the market's just not giving that. Unless you're long, the shorts are just fucking brutal, man.
Yeah, you got to be like. Unfortunately, you pretty much have to be to feel extra comfortable. Like you have to be longing.
Gotta get the top, right? Like if you got in the 400s on NQ, then you comfortable. At 385, you like, man, I don't want to give out 20 points. You know, it's like, yeah. You know, ES, same thing. If you got short at 4408, 4407, you're comfortable. You're up 10 points.
Yeah. The uncertainty really sucks. I would have got ticked out there. I moved my stop loss back up to the high, and it luckily worked out really nicely. I just decided to accept the risk, and so far I'm being rewarded for that. Thank God. But you know,
he said, "Thank God." Fuck.
Yeah, it's
weird out here, bro.
It's a tough hole. It's a tough ass hole, bro. Like it's tough. But
hard out here. For
it's starting to print now, so you know, thank God. I had conviction. And I knew, like you said, I think I did everything right. So why not just give it the full risk and accept a fucking small 2-point loss? Like fuck it, you know. And now the market's starting to break down.
You did everything that you could potentially do to put yourself in a winning position. So why not just accept the risk and be like, all right, fuck it, like, 2 tears in a bucket.
I shorted a fucking pullback. That's the strength. The sellers are we're strong, and we just picked up more sellers to hopefully go lower.
Bro, I almost did some shit.
You almost long this shit?
No, I almost FOMO'd into that shit to short it again on my real account. And I was just like, no. Like literally mentally in real time, I stopped myself and I was like, no, I'm not. I wouldn't be proud of this trade. Like I'm not gonna take that trade. Like I'm just gonna wait for an area where I would actually trade. I'm seeing the supply easier since adding Hobbs box technique at open. Crazy how you can literally see the traps. Yeah, you see. Hey, shout out to you, man. I appreciate you, Xavier, but that's not my box technique, bro. Like that's just supply and demand, bro. Like just understanding where people want to get, where the selling and buying happen, and putting that in visual form for yourself will 100% help you trade better, in my opinion. You know, but right now, like moment of silence for the way Justin just killed this fucking market. Let's go, baby.
We'll see. This trade isn't over with yet. My target is 43.89.75 though. We're all that damn
this shit coming down, bro. Let's get it. Come on, push down.
Bulls are definitely trying to defend down here. That's for sure.
There's a lot of selling at these lows, though. You can see the CVD continuing to push up or push down. It's going to come down.
There's so much volatility in this market right now. It's insane. There's a ton of volatility right now. But I'm not going to hold runners on this. I'm just going to get all out.
Yeah, I would.
If it comes
like
down.
I said, yeah, I mean, this is the very low right here. Like this, if bulls are going to defend, they're going to defend right here.
Yeah,
because you can look and see where this head came in right here. See, we just tapped that area. Like for me, I'm looking for longs right here. Yep.
Yeah, I'm thinking about getting out.
Yeah,
actually,
that was that break of structure. And now if we can come back in and retest 3, 4, 5, I just looked to the left and saw that 5-minute demand zone for the bottom here. So this is where I would actually be looking for longs. If we can get this break of structure right here, get above this area right here, 368. If we can make a quick push above 368, then I'll look for a retest of 346, and I'll look to take the market long right there. It's my new trade idea. If not, if we can't break above that structure, then I'm just gonna, hopefully Justin continues to get print money here.
Actually, I think I'm gonna. Well, here, let's see. This is where I fucking hate it.
Bro, just take profits, man. Like again, do whatever you want, but for me, I feel like if I'm that uncomfortable in a trade, I feel better when I take the profits because I know what I'm seeing and I'm reacting to what I'm seeing.
I went ahead and just took the profit.
Yeah, like I'm reacting to what I'm seeing. I'm not reacting to, my trading plan. Like, yeah, that's the plan, but look what the fuck is happening right now. Like the market's coming into demand. This is the very, very low where bulls have to defend. Can they defend or will they defend? Nobody fucking knows. But you know what you do know? If you wait and it works out, you'll be happy. If you wait and it doesn't work out, you'll be like, damn, I should have sold because I saw this. So the question becomes, which one is more beneficial? 2 birds in hand or potential waiting on another bird to come. When you know you
Yeah.
could just put another quarter in the slot machine and play again with another setup. You know,
Yeah.
you had a good setup. You sold in an area where the opposing party has to defend. That's a good trade. It may not be the planned trade, but that's a good fucking trade, you know?
Yeah. Plus we broke the low and immediately fucking reclaimed
Immediately reclaimed it. That's what you actually see, and that's what you have to react to. You can't react to what you think may happen. You have to react to what happened. As soon as we tapped that area, the market gave a reaction. Did it break above structure yet? No. But do you want to wait till it breaks above structure potentially? Right? Or do you want to just get out now and just say, okay, like I'm good, I'm chill? And that's up to you. For me, man, like the ratio shit will work itself out. But if I'm in a decent trade and I get at least a 2-to-1, that's a good trade for me. You know, I don't need to prove anything to anybody. A 2-to-1 is more than enough. You know?
Yeah, so. And I think I got a 2-to. Yeah, no, I definitely got a 2-to-1 there. Yeah, I got a 3-to-1 actually because I was only risking 2 points. So.
You were risking 2 points. You were up 6 to 8 points. I'm like, bro, what more do you want? Like, take the fucking profit. What are you trying to prove? You got a 4-to-1, a 3-to-1 on ES, which is hard for most people to do. So don't go back and look at the chart and be like, man, I should have held. Like, bro, like let this shit do whatever it does. Like it does what it does. And if you don't feel comfortable, why put yourself through that stress when you could just say, okay, I'm just gonna trade this. I'm just gonna I think I might have missed my entry here. Hang on. I'm looking for longs right here. If we can hold 3, 4, 5 on this inverse head and shoulders potentially on the 1 minute here.
Thanks, Xavier. I appreciate it. I can look back and be proud of that trade for sure.
It's a damn good trade. That's what I mean, and that's my point. Is like you back test every day. How will you feel if you look back on that trade and it goes to 0?
I'd be pissed.
You see what I'm saying?
I'd be pissed.
And you wouldn't be proud of the trade whatsoever.
Yeah.
All right, I'm long here. I'm giving longs a try down here. I actually didn't wait for the buying to kind of come in, so I'm just gonna put my stop below the lows. I'm risking about 10 points on 5 micros, and we didn't really get a break of structure. I actually don't like this trade anymore. I'm out. See you.
Yeah, my next
it was a 20-point loss, $20 loss. Sorry, brother.
Go ahead.
I'm just gonna finish my point.
I
didn't wait for. I saw the inverse here happening, but I didn't get. Let me show you guys on the 1 minute. Oh, here it is. Right. Okay. So I saw this potential inverse head and shoulders happening right here, and I kind of rushed into the entry, which was right here, which is where I wanted to enter. However, I didn't get my other confirmation, which is a break of structure here. So I'm just gonna wait. I still think we push up and we break this structure, but I'm gonna wait for that break of structure and then play the retest after the break of structure, right? And then I'll be looking to trade the market long. I do think that buyers are going to want to defend down here, though. So I don't want to jump the gun because I lose a lot of trades like that. So I want to wait.
Yeah. For me, my next trade idea isn't until down here. I don't want to trade up in this area. My next idea is going to be at 4389 to 4390, and anywhere in this area. I want to look for longs coming back up. One thing I do want to note though is the majority of can I draw? Let me draw something. Let me put my artistic skills to get
those
use.
are emojis.
I know.
One more. It's at the rectangle.
There you go. Thank you. But if you look, like most of the volume has been done right here on the day.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, come on, stop. There we go. So right now we're actually pretty much in balance right now, right? So I don't want to try to long in this area right now, just because. Or no, longing. Actually, no, my bad. Longing in this area makes more sense than trying to short the market. But with the lack of volume traded down in this area, this is where I'd really want to take the market long to come back up into this area. So that's kind of where I'm at with it right now. I would rather have the market sell off and then come back up and return to this middle area than anything else. But we'll see what happens.
We're coming into on NQ. We're coming into the previous day low at 15,329. What I kind of want to see is a fail break of the previous day low inside or buyers step in inside of this demand zone. What I'm waiting. Oh, sorry. Let me switch my screen. What I'm waiting for is I want to see a nice spring get eaten up, right? You see how we keep tapping this little gray box? This is where I really want to trade, but I need to see a break of structure first. If we can get above now that this structure has been formed here, right? Oh shit. Back here. Now that this structure has been formed, I'll settle for a break of this structure because I really like longs down here, right? That's another double bottom. That's a lower high being put in on a 1 minute. I really like the long ideas down here. So what I'm just waiting on now is just a clean break of structure, get above break of structure. I don't want to be that first buyer that I try to buy the bottom. I've tried to do that. That shit doesn't work for me. So what I want now is just an aggressive sell to come into this previous day low, fail, or anywhere in this area. I just want to see failure. All right, or this will work too. If we can get above structure here. Yeah, if we can break structure here and then come back down and pick me up right here, I'll be very interested in market long. Matter of fact, on my Apex account, I think I'm gonna just take the trade now.
Yeah, this is looking like a good potential long setup.
Yeah, let me make sure I'm in the right fucking account here. All right, I'm gonna take it long on the Apex account below the stop below the lows. A little prematurely for my blood. That's why I'm not risking the account that I actually care about, but I'm still gonna long it here with 2 minis. Try to just shoot for the previous high at 387.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna log into my Apex account as well, and I think I'm gonna.
I like the carefree attitude. It's like kind of paper trading with a potential reward, but I like to get the reps in over there, right? Like if I see something and I don't want to be an early buyer on my real account, I just go to Apex and do it.
Well, I think I'm gonna do both. So I think if I get the setup that I want to see down at 43.89 to long the market back up, back into like I don't know what area I'm gonna target, but I'll try taking the market long there. That's the only way I'm taking this market long, though. Any other way, it's not gonna be for me.
15,290. Oh yeah, down here at this little 15-minute demand zone. Yeah, this will be a great long too. I'm just looking at it like if we can't break through this previous day low, then I think we just go right back up. So I'm in long. Stop is below these lows right here. I don't know where my entry is. Hang on. That's my other account. My entry is 357. So my stop is 338, and I'm risking about 20 points to fuck around and find out. For my actual account, I shouldn't say my actual, because I pay for all these motherfuckers, but for my account for Topstep, which is where I want to be funded, I'm looking for one more retest. So I want to see this. I want to see this break a structure first above 362, and then I'll look for a retest into 351. I would love to see a nice spring down. Not for my Apex account, that won't be good, but but it's a lot of selling on the tape right here, selling and buying right here. So in my other account, I do not want to step in front of this, but on my Apex account, risk it for the biscuit.
Yeah, could be could be possible absorption happening here.
To the sell side or buy side?
Yeah, to the sell side. We're absorbing the sellers possibly here.
Yeah. When I say buy side, I mean like for buyers to push out of this. But yeah, I see. I know. Basically, a lot of sales are coming into this demand and they're getting absorbed.
Yeah.
Why you keep saying previous day low? We're nowhere near previous day low. Who said that, Jonah? Oh, an NQ? Oh, you know what? I moved it. I must have moved it. You're right. Because the previous day low is oh, we're close to it. Today's Wednesday or Thursday? Today's Tuesday.
Today's Wednesday.
Today's Wednesday.
Right? Wednesday.
Tuesday's low is we already broke it. Yeah, I got it in the wrong spot. Well, clearly I made a mistake, Jonah. I'm sorry. Jeez, so aggressive.
He's trying to win
previous day low. We're nowhere near the previous day low. Like, well, clearly I made a mistake. My bad, bro. Yeah, so I move these. I move these every day, right? But I guess I didn't move this one yesterday, so that's why I keep saying it. Because wait, no, hold on, no, I'm right. No, you're wrong, Jonah. I won again. I win again. All right. Tuesday's day low is at 11:30, November 7th at 11:30. The low is 15,328.75. So this low was at 339, and we were 10 points away from the previous day low.
I'm kind of
So-
liking this trade idea to allow us to push out, break above 4398 on ES, and then come back and retest it. And if that holds, to take this long.
Yeah, so the previous day low is at
Never
15.32875.
mind.
No, this is the spring that we want. We want this to push. We just don't want it to break the low here.
Yeah, we
I want to see.
oh,
I want to trap.
just-
Yeah, I want to trap sellers right here, right down at this previous day low. It looks like I'm probably stopped out on Apex, but I'm definitely looking to trade this on my real account.
This is what we saw yesterday, actually, on the trade that I took.
Mhm.
Remember where we
Yep, we
got
saw the exact same setup.
we got the
It was that
sweep.
same. Yep, we had that same consolidation down here at the lows, and then we had
Mhm.
that sweep like 3 or 4 times before
Yep.
we finally swept all the way down, and then price pushed up. So,
Yep. And my
Jonah, where
dumbass, I look at
Jonah,
this
where do
and
you
I'm
have?
like, no,
Go ahead. I was just
No,
gonna
go
ask
ahead.
Jonah, where does he have previous day low at? I mean,
I
I ain't letting this go. You gonna try to call me out? I mean, maybe I'm tripping, but the previous day low is Tuesday at 11:30. Is that not correct? Unless your shit says something else. But I got the previous day low wick down right here at 15.32925. So if I bring this, we're actually a little higher right there. That's the previous day low. So the low of today so far was 3.9. So we were 10 points away.
Which is crazy because ES is nowhere near its previous day low, like at all.
Previous day low is 15,171. Where the fuck do you see that at? Let me go to the 5 minute. Maybe I'm missing it. I got it off the 15. So let me see.
Isn't previous day low like down a lot further? Because then we rallied yesterday, right? I don't know. Whatever.
Wait, where's
Now it's like
8:30?
NQ speak.
Oh, you know what? I got it off the 5 minute. Okay, you're right, Jonah. You're correct. I got it off the 15 minute, and the previous day low came off the 5. It's the lowest point was off the 5 minute. I got it off the 15 minute, so these candles didn't show. I usually just pull it right off the 15 minute. All right. So the low of this candle at 8:30. Hang on. Oh damn, it's way the fuck down here. Hang on.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It should be down pretty far because ES is down pretty far.
Yeah, it's way down here. All right, thanks, Joe. Damn. Where the fuck did I pull the previous day low from?
Maybe
Yeah,
you
I got it way.
confused
It's way
with the
down here from this
time.
demand zone. Tuesday at 8:30.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I got it at.
Talk your shit, Jonah. He said, "Are we really arguing this?"
Oh, shut up! Like you don't argue some shit that you be wrong about.
Talk your shit, Jonah. Talk your shit, Jonah.
What did he
I
argue
don't
with me
know.
about the other day?
I don't
About the
know,
Fibonacci?
but talk
About
your shit,
which
Jonah.
direction the Fibonacci was going in? Are we really
Talk
arguing
your-
this?
Talk
I
your
bet.
shit, Jonah.
Okay, yeah.
Talk your
Talk
shit.
your shit, Joe. Talk your shit, Joe. Hey. Talk your shit now, Joe. You know I'm coming back. You know I'm gonna get you. You know I'm gonna get you.
Talk your shit, Jonah. Talk your shit.
But I don't have it at 15,197. What time do you mark yours though? I got it at 15,22450. Is that not right?
That looks right.
This
to
is
me.
the 8:30 candle, unless you mark it from the pre-market. I think he marks his from the pre-market though,
Oh,
because he says 191171. I don't mark the pre-market low. That's the pre-market low.
yeah. I mark it from where
Yeah, I mark it from
in the market open
8:30.
session.
Yeah, so at 8:30 a.m. I marked the pre-market low. But yeah, good call though. Either way it goes, it was incorrect. That was the important part. I'm gonna make sure I'm giving out the right information. So yeah, whether you have the pre-market low or the previous day low,
Are we really arguing?
still
this?
incorrect.
Hey, shout out Valdez. He says, "Good morning, fellas. Done for the day. Took a banger short from 15,404 and just got out at 15,352. Let's go."
Let's get it.
Jonah says, I wasn't trying to talk shit. You kept saying you were entering off the previous day low, and I was like, we are nowhere near. Is all I'm saying. Nah, I mean, we inferred through typing you was talking a little bit of shit, but it's all good because I like it.
I don't
Keep talking your
say
shit,
that
Jonah.
you were talking shit.
You was
I
talking
mean, I could care less. You were trying to correct me. It's just the aggression in which you addressed it was a little bit aggressive. That's all. Like
I mean,
I don't
it
care.
all
It doesn't
depends.
bother me. But
It all
the
depends
reason
on how you're reading it, though. He could have just been like, Wait, where he say it? Why are you saying previous day low? We're nowhere near the previous day low. Or you could interpret like, man, why you keep saying previous day low, man? We ain't nowhere near
Exactly.
previous
That's
day
what I
low.
mean. Like
There's
that's
two
what I'm
ways to
saying. Like
interpret
there was the way it came off, the way it came in my head. It doesn't mean that's how he meant it, but the way it came off in my head, it sounded like a little hostility. So I was like, oh, okay. I mean, you're right. I'm always gonna tell you if you're right or wrong. Like if you're right, you're right. Like I ain't mad at you. I appreciate you for letting me know, so I'm not out here looking like a crazy person that keeps talking about the previous day low, and it ain't there.
Yeah, I think.
But yeah, he marks the. I know Jonah marks the.
About this?
He marked
that was the icing on the cake. Are we really arguing about this?
I'm not even arguing. Like I literally wasn't. I was like, as soon as he said it, I was like, well, let me check. Like maybe I'm wrong. And as soon as I saw I was wrong, I was like, okay, look, you feeling froggy? Jump. Chill out. Okay, I'm stopped out on Apex, so let's see if this is a trade opportunity over here on yeah, we got cooked on Apex. Whew.
Yeah, I stand firm with my 4.3 8.9 level for looking for buyers there. We were getting absorption, but buying never really stepped in.
Yeah, 4.39293 is where I was saying I was looking for buyers this morning on ES.
Jonah said exactly, Justin. He reading it the way he wanted to hear it.
Wait,
100%.
Stop. I'm not even upset. Y'all the one keep saying, "Get him, Jonah." Justin's low key fucking is the whole antagonist of this. I literally said, "Good job, Jonah. Thanks." Justin was like, "Yeah, get him, Jonah. Talk your shit, Jonah." I'm like, bro, it's not even about that. Like, I could care less.
Big
like,
buyer.
The important part is getting. See how you trying to ignore the conversation now? Like, he lit the fire. I hear you. Let the smoke go. Then he walked away and was like, "What are y'all talking about? It's lunchtime. You lit this fire. Like,
I ain't like nothing but this buyer's ass right now. It's in the market. I ain't like nothing else. I swear it wasn't me. It wasn't me.
He lit the fucking fire and walked away. It was like, let these motherfuckers argue. Like, bro, you did this.
Get him, Jonah. Get him.
Yeah.
I ain't do nothing. Get him. Get his ass. No.
Get him. I don't know what they talk about. Get him, Jonah. You're winning. Like what?
Push him harder.
My response literally was, "Oh, thanks, Jonah. Let me go change this."
He was like, "Nah, Jonah, you wrong. I know I got my level right. Don't let him play you like that."
Wrong. That was my response. But once I realized he was correct, I was like, "Oh, okay, you're right. I'm glad you're right. I'm glad I'm not out here looking like a fool." But Justin was like that little kid at camp. He's like dousing fucking gasoline, smoking that shit, and then be like, "I don't know what happened, but I'm about to go eat lunch, dog. I think some shit on fire back there. Y'all might want to go check it out."
It's like that dude that starts recording and yells, "World Star!
World Star!"
Oh, man. This market's starting to turn around and look real bullish right now. That was a big-ass buyer that hit the fucking... hit the bid, or that hit the ass. Hit the ass.
Look, I got back long on my Apex account, but low-key, I thought I was in my fucking top step. I was like, man. Hell yeah, baby, we killing this trade. Yeah, nah, I was not in my top step account, you motherfucker. All right, if we can get a retest here, though, I'll be interested to take the market long here. I'm thinking this might be the head. We just have to break some fucking structure. Like, just get above 362 just one time. Take it back now, y'all. All right, ES just hit that 43.93 level we talked about this morning on the 15-minute as a potential trade area. 43.93 through about 43.91. Justin's looking for like 43.91, which is like the bottom of this demand zone. But literally, we tapped the top of this motherfucker right at 43.93 and popped right the fuck back up. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if it holds. Buyers have not been able to hold anything, so I'm just not in a rush to trade anything on my real account. I'm over here YOLO and shit on Apex behind the scenes, though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to get my money back.
Jonah said, "I was just trying to look out for my people. I think you took a trade off that PDL, and I tried to warn you is all.
I did not take a
Justin
trade off
started
the
shit.
PDL.
I ain't trying to start nothing. But y'all are over here arguing. So
oh, your ass 100%. Don't you see? This like the bad snotty nose ass kid that you are. I don't know what happened, man. I don't know. I was in the back, coach. I don't know what happened. I don't know. All I know is they just started fighting.
I was just minding my own business.
Shut your ass up, bruh.
I was just minding my own business, and you know, it's what it is. You know what I'm saying?
Jonah
had the PDL wrong.
He
called you out for it, and he was right. You know what I'm saying? And,
called you out for it. You see how he tried to say it, Joe?
He called you out. He was right.
Yeah, bro. Like he said you a dumb motherfucker, and shit. That's all I know. Like shit, it is what it is. Motherfucker, you should have known better. You stupid fuck. Like told you.
You had the charts. You could have looked at them all night. Your ass. You know what I'm saying?
Stop charting from the shitter. Like it's on you, bro.
You came on stream and you just fucked up, man. He was just looking out for you. That's all. You don't be a hater. You know what I'm saying?
Oh man. And the trade was working out. I just didn't take no damn profits. I don't know what it is with Apex, man. I struggle to take profit on Apex, bro. Like I'd be like, nah, let it go. It's cool. It's gonna keep going. Oh man, I'm long again on Apex at 347. So I think that's a pretty good entry. Stop below the lows at 333, risking about 14 points. Again, still first buyer territory for me. We still haven't had any break of structure yet, so really risky trade. So.
Right now we're at the POC, so hopefully we hold this and move away from it. I would probably look to take profit like around. Oh fuck, man, these fucking sellers.
All right, locking in $100 right there. Some other shit, bro. Like what the?
Yeah,
he just literally swept the market, bro. Like what?
Yeah, they're not playing around today. That's why I just want to wait and see what they do at this 4398 level.
I appreciate you, Jonah. Just to be clear, bro, you already know, man. We goody over here, my boy.
Keep telling him what he doing wrong. Don't stop.
He's supposed to. I've never once been afraid of when
he say the PDL's messed up. He better go correct that shit. He better not fucking question it either. You the PDL motherfucking master. Don't let him fucking confuse you. He over here saying the wrong PDL.
Y'all wonder why I just ignore Justin.
Nope.
Sometimes.
Nope. Hey, we're gonna start a new channel. It's gonna be called Traders WWE, Traders Worldwide Wrestling Entertainment.
The Worldwide Wrestling Federation. There's about 130 orders sitting here.
Hey, Bakaya, we don't say that no more.
What'd he say?
He said Hobbs just got out. Go long, LOL.
I didn't.
He's in though.
No. I got out. Oh, I took the $100.
Oh, I thought you just moved your stop up to secure 100.
Oh no! I took the 100. Hobbs just got out. Go long. You guys are clowns. Yeah, Hobbs, serve your people. What the fuck is wrong, man? y'all ain't gonna let this go this morning.
He was too busy filling up a bowl full of shit to pay attention to the PDL.
Well, y'all something else. I got breakfast in the microwave, man. I'm about to go get my damn breakfast.
Oh God, you get the breakfast and then the bowl.
Yo, breakfast, then the bowl. Oh, we had, bro. You see my video Taco Tuesday, bro?
That shit
good. Taco Tuesday last night, bro.
Yeah, I was a basic bitch. I did Taco Tuesday too, but it was a basic bitch Taco Tuesday.
He said, "Yeah, I was a basic bitch." That shit was lame as hell.
It was basic bitch Taco Tuesday. Bro, we had fajita meat that was pre-cooked. Just threw it in the pan, pre-cooked that shit up, served. Basic bitch Taco Tuesday.
For the record, our Taco Tuesday was also like all pre-made. I mean, I cooked the beef, but the chicken, that chicken that was in there, that was like frozen chicken. Oh. It was like the frozen fajita chicken. We just gotta cook it.
Well, that shit was fire. Well, we literally had cheese and that mild sauce from Taco Bell about it.
Bro, wifey, look, I tell wifey, I text her in the group chat, baby, because some of that mild sauce, that Taco Bell mild sauce. She's like, I bet. So then she texts me, she's like,
Taco Bell.
No. Yo, I would have cried laughing if she did that. But what she did was she she came back with all the groceries. So I'm going through all the shit. I see like this green sauce, this street taco sauce. I'm like, oh, this is fire. Like, but where that Taco Bell mild sauce is? She's like, what you talking about? I got the mild packets. I'm like, what? Bro, she went and got the taco seasoning that you put on the and she got the taco seasoning that you put on the beef, but it was mild.
Hey, sauce
I was
seasoning,
freaking weak, bro. I was like, me and my son looked at each other like, what? I was like, all right, cool, man. Like, thank you, babe. But low key, that street taco sauce is fire too. The green sauce, they sell that shit in the store. The street taco sauce.
Was it?
So
I like the green sauce that's like really spicy and hot.
Yeah, I can't do that no more. So we keep rejecting this. We keep rejecting this opportunity to break these highs, and it's just not giving me warm and fuzzy. Like it just makes me feel like we're accumulating to go lower.
Escape said, I went long 350, fat fingered and clicked close.
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny. Yeah. Yeah, right now the market's in pretty much balance down here. We're sitting at the highest volume traded area for the day, so I'm just gonna wait and see what happens.
And you can see the VIX starting to get a little angry over here too.
So
trying to hold back above VWAP over here.
I don't want to touch this market until we get down to 4.389. That's my level to look for buyers. So if they step up, great. If not, then we keep selling. But I think this pullback was warranted, and I think this that short-term high was definitely put in. So no more news or nothing on the day?
Nah, we got speakers at like 1 or something like that. I went longer 350, but fat finger click close each.
As long as they don't do nothing dumb. Well, I don't say nothing dumb. There's a lot of them speaking though.
Yeah, and Jerome didn't address the economy whatsoever.
Yeah.
That was a big rejection on the dollar. God damn, what the fuck happened to the dollar?
But didn't he speak tomorrow or Friday or some shit again?
Tomorrow.
He speaks at what the fuck? He's speaking at 2? What is he? Okay, what is this about?
Bro. Market's been
anytime he speaks then. Okay.
No, I think he's speaking at another conference though.
Yeah, but this time he's speaking about monetary challenges in global economy. So this one might be a little worse.
Well, what was the title of this speech? Sounded like the same shit. It was just 15 minutes.
But this was I don't know. This one, let's see what they had for this one. He was doing the opening remarks for Division of Research and Statistics Centennial Conference. I don't think that was anything serious. He was just like, yeah, we use your numbers. That's great. Y'all work hard for us. We appreciate it. All right, have fun at your little conference. This one, it seems like he's actually giving a legit speech.
Yeah.
And it's at 2:00. And whenever he speaks at 2.
Yeah, that means he's not trying to affect the market, but the market's going to be affected because they're going to all be like positioning themselves for what he might say.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, because he's speaking so late in the day, I think this one might actually bring some volatility to the market. Because if you think about it, this one
and the fuck out of this shit. They just cannot break out of this shit.
This last speech that he had, if you really think about it, this speech, he stopped before the market even opened, so he couldn't even affect the market. This one, he's doing it during the market open, like while the market's open, so probably going to be a lot worse.
He said probably going to be a lot worse, but it's the afternoon. I should be done. Should be done trading by then. So
I'm not looking to trade during his fucking speech. Fuck that. All right, looks like the market wants to sell off more. Hopefully. We're just
this market don't know what the fuck it wants to do. Every time you think it's about to sell off, it just pops right back up, and every time you think it's about to push up, it sells right back down. So for me, I'm hands off of this shit until I see a reason to trade. And right now, I think shorts are valid up at 55, but they're really short lived. No pun intended, but bing bing bing. Still waiting to put a trade on over here on a Topstep. Yeah, that might have been distribution to go lower. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, come on down. I mean, we can come down another 100 points before we get to the previous day low. Correct previous day low.
Yo, good morning, Tay2 certified. What's good? What's good?
Yeah. What's going on, Take Two? Missed y'all, man. Missed y'all. Inside of this consolidation, looks like we about to pop right back up and kill all the people that just tried to get short, and then come right back down, kill all the people that try to get long. Market on this bullshit. Come on, just break some fucking structure, bro. That's 3 taps of 340. 3 freaking taps of 340. This thing has to push. We gotta push, right?
No, we're just consolidating. I think we're just building value here to potentially go lower.
Yeah, but we just
we'll
keep tapping the same area, and we refuse to break the official low, like a low of this inverse head and shoulders on the 1. You see that?
Yeah, I mean, I would not be trying to short the market right here. Like if I'm
no, no, fuck no.
I would be okay. So on ES, if I'm looking to short, I'm looking to short at 439,775, and I'm looking to take scalps down to 4392. Right, like that's the range that we're in right now. And then same back to the upside until we break out. Like there's no reason to really. I don't personally want to touch the market though, but I think we are building value here. I don't know whether it's to go up or go down. My money is on the Bears right now just because they're in control, but we'll see.
Yeah, I agree with that. I just think the market's kind of in a decision-making territory right here, like just trying to get either out of this area. Like I said, I can't entertain shorts here. The only thing I can think about doing is long in the market from this area. We would have to come back up for me to entertain shorts.
Well, that's why.
Which sounds crazy, but it's the truth.
that's why I'd much rather see buyers start to defend this 4389 area. If they don't, then I'm probably just gonna call it a day.
Yeah, no real edge right now for me, so just wait.
Yeah, actually, right now I have 2 options right now.
He said 2 options.
Yeah,
long 2 chain.
Yeah, 2. Shit, I'm gonna go get me a second chain. But anyway, 438925 is where I'm looking to long. If we do end up coming back up, I would want to short back up at the highs though. I think that'd be a pretty good area to short the market again. If we come back up to 4405 to the high a day. Wouldn't be mad at that either. Yeah. And those are kind of my 2 areas right now. Everything else is noise.
Bubbles just look weak for buyers and sellers right now. Like I just don't see an aggressive party in the market at all.
Yeah,
here we go.
We've been chopping down. We've been chopping down here, you know. So we'll see.
Yeah, they've been chopping the hell out this tree. They've been chopping the hell out this tree. Let's see if they can get some honey at the other side.
Tay2 certified said no stream yesterday had me looking for other streams. Well, I'm glad that you came back to our stream and didn't stay with whoever found. So appreciate you.
Yeah, bro. Man, we were hanging out with the Discord fam and just trying to take a little break. You won't see me on Mondays. Like I'm gonna be saving the world. Okay, every Monday I'm gonna be saving the world. I'm gonna be the friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. I know where Jay gets his random noises from. What random? Oh, what I be doing, babe? A lot of buying coming into this market at the same time the VIX is pushing. This is so weird.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm still holding strong. I gotta keep telling myself, do not trade this market if it's not in your predetermined area. Do not trade this market if it's not in your
You
predetermined
just gotta
area.
keep saying it, bro. I'm telling you, man. Like if it's not in your area, don't fucking touch it. That's a
If
third
it's
tap
not in
of
your
the lows
area,
right there.
do not touch it.
Like I really genuinely feel like this market wants to rocket ship out of here, but
Apple looks like it's kind of in a falling wedge right now, interestingly enough.
yeah, so does NQ. It just looks like we're kind of chopping away. Then we're gonna spring and cut everybody up that's been long, cut them up, and then go right back up and take everybody money to try to get short.
Yeah, 4390's got a lot of liquidity on there too, and 4390 has been like a pivotal level of the market for like weeks, maybe even a couple months now. So it's just another area that I don't like, and it kind of coincides with the buying from yesterday. So overall, I like it. So I'm just gonna wait. Just don't trade until you're in my box.
He said, "I'm just gonna wait. Just don't do it. Just
I'll
don't do it. That's all you have to do is don't do it. Don't do it."
I made the mistake yesterday. I made the mistake the Friday. Like, if it's not in your area, you're not trading. That's all.
That's right. You damn right.
Look,
Now we're just trading sideways, bro.
If it's not in my box, then nothing can enter. Nothing can enter my box until it's in my box. But mine is a gray box. House is a pink box, so yeah.
So, well, today I have a gray box. I did not
shit.
paint any boxes pink today. Watch the tape. Don't you start with me, babe. Don't you start. not you two. I don't need the smoke from everybody today, okay? Everybody try to give Hobbs free smoke today. Like what I do to y'all, man? Just tell me if I got something in my nose, man. What I do to y'all? Speak up. Forever hold your peace. Look at this shit. Failing to break the highs again. God damn.
Yeah. But
Oh man.
looking at the CBD, the selling is starting to like weaken up. So
we'll see. That was a dump on NQ. That was weird. Sweet.
Yeah,
There's a lot of fucking buying on the CBD. Like a shit ton of buying.
Yeah.
But at the same time, the VIX is going up and down. It's so weird. That's why I say like
there's no follow through.
Nope. When I'm confused, I just sit back and watch the fireworks.
No follow through.
Baby, you live with me. You should know by now that I make random noises. So what are you trying to say here?
She's trying to call your ass out with the fucking crowd.
Shut your ass up. Don't instigate a happy home. You can instigate discord. Don't be instigating a happy home. We happy over here. You leave you take your little lighter and you go over there. Don't bring that shit over here. We happy over here.
The lighter that Wayne used to light before every song.
Yeah. You take that shit over there.
I'm not instigating nothing.
Oh. Yeah, motherfucker trying to light fires over my house. Don't bring this shit over here.
All I'm saying is just watch the tape. Watch the tape. Run it. Run the tape.
What the fuck ever, motherfucker.
Run the tape.
Somebody come get that guy. Jen, come get your husband. I don't know what the fuck wrong with him today.
She's busy working.
He over here trying to start shit.
We got
need to be started.
Don't hate on playoff Lenny.
Playoff Lenny, trash.
Not
all right,
trash.
I'm gonna go make some breakfast with some of that mild sauce. You know what I'm saying? I'll be right back.
Are you making fried chicken? No? Okay. Oh, the market is boring. Just waiting game now. Flaccid? That's a great term to use. It's flaccid, huh? You can use another word like flat, maybe, or like flaccid. Oh Lord. Yeah, I mean it's pretty low right now. That would be funny. That would be funny. What y'all think? Y'all think the market's gonna run while Hobbs is gone? Is it time to long the market since he stepped away? He'll come back. We're gonna be up like 100 points on NQ and like 50 points. No, you're not. No, you're not. All right. Well, good luck with that one. I am not trading until it hits my fucking box, and my box isn't till fucking 438.925. Everything else in this is black space to me. No, I need like a 4-point pullback or 5 points. No, it's not. It's like four points on NQ is probably like, I don't know, maybe 20 on ES, something like that. But it's all good. I'm gonna sit here. I'm gonna wait because we're pretty much just consolidating. Like that's it. We're consolidating. It makes sense to long down here. Like everything that I'm seeing, it makes sense to long. I just don't want to do it because I factored in buyers down here. Like you can see at 4388, there's buyers. Yesterday at 4388 and down to 4385, there's buyers. So I'll just wait because I know buyers are sitting there. Yeah, actually looking at this, it was actually we created a 1 hour supply zone up here at 4389 or 439875, and I'm pretty sure in NQ we probably have that same supply zone. That's a 5 minutes. God, NQ really hasn't done shit. Yep, same supply zone. So, see if we get continuation. NQ right now could be breaking looks like the pre-market low. So this would actually be a good place to try to long the market here on NQ. NQ is actually already in the area where I would be looking to long the market from yesterday. ES isn't there yet, so it actually isn't a bad long down here in my opinion for NQ. I just need to see ES come down a bit further, so I'll wait and be patient. But NQ is in the area where I'd be looking to long NQ before ES. So we'll see what happens. Maybe this makes ES have a bid. I don't know. Let me go to the 5. Let me turn this on. I actually like longs down here on NQ especially. I mean, look, you got to ask yourself, like, look how many tests we've had down here at 15,341. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we've not been able to break below it, right? So the more times we test down here, the more that sellers aren't being rewarded. So I'd be more apt to want to short or to long the market back up, but you just got to get the right timing of this. So ES is not really the same right now. ES might be more of a head and shoulders actually playing out, where here's the shoulder, here's the potential head. Maybe we, come back up, come back down, hold this area, and then go. So we'll see. I'm just not looking to long the market right now. Until it hits my box, I will not be touching the market. I will not be violating the market. Check IQ. Yeah, IQ's getting a strong break, but we'll see. Maybe we buy back up. I don't know. The market's just been literally at a standstill.
There's a hidden aggressive buyer that keeps absorbing price. Every time we push down, he absorbs price.
There he goes.
And that's what Justin keeps saying, that if you're gonna long it, just long the lows, and then you can risk a lot less.
Yep.
Every time we flush down and you see that buyer step in, long the market right there. If you keep trying to long the highs, waiting on the potential breakout, you're gonna get caught in this consolidation.
Yeah. I don't. I think we're trapping.
43.90 is the level, and if price doesn't break below it, it has to break below it clean, or else it's gonna pop right back up. But I mean, stick with your analysis. If your analysis is tell you it's coming down, then fucking ride that bitch down.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, he stepped away, so his thesis was Hobbs is gone, time to long, which rhymes. Now that I said, I'm like a fucking poet. Hobbs is gone, time to long. That was the thesis. It didn't work out though. Not yet.
well, he hasn't been rewarded for that thesis thus far. The market's just not moving, in my opinion. Like, there's no. You know, we're in consolidation. We're just bouncing.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we've been getting these days where we go into massive consolidation right after a big move. So, like, you're all ready to trade, expecting price to continue one way or the other. Then nothing happens. We just sit here for till 10:30 where the market reverses.
That's why I'm kind of looking for a liquidity sweep to come down and bring us back up, and then look for that area to act as support. Well, NQ might have got it, but ES hasn't got shit.
NQ's level is like 335, 340. You could potentially long the market there, give yourself 5 points. If it works out, great. If it doesn't, you risk 5 points.
You should. Man, I hate when the market looks like this, but you could legit just scalp the fuck out of this market.
Yeah, you could go from 351 on NQ, sort it down to 335, get out, long it right back up to 330 to 351. You just scalp the shit out of this shit.
Yeah, this market, scalpers have to be loving this range right now. It's so clear and defined. Like, yeah, we'll see if it fails though.
He does that. We'll see if it fails though, even though he knows you're long. You'd be like, bro, I'm trying to be positive here.
I'm trying to be realistic. I'm trying to give your hopes.
That's not realistic. That's just
I think you might. We're not. We're getting there, though. We're getting there. That could be true, and I'll look to short the market if we get up there because that's my level. Yeah, but see here's the thing though. I would much rather long the market back up there.
I just ignore him, bro. When he get like this, I just ignore Justin. Like this is a really good day to ignore Justin. Like the market basically for me to trade, we need to get above 361. Like at this point, I kind of want to get above 370. Right now, I'm not even interested in this shit. Because it's not what I like to trade. It's not to say that you can't trade this. This is 100% a great scalper's territory. You can trade this shit up and down. I'm just no good at that. I fucking suck because I'm greedy. So. Yeah, that's true. I'm looking for a follow through of moves, and there's no follow through in this. It's just, you know. Exactly.
Yeah, but I think at the same token of that though, like if you're like let's say you get the win and then you try to short it and you're only risking half of your profits, that's probably not a bad bet to try. But it's tough though.
It's just like I still we see 500.
I'd be short NQ right now. Like I think this is a good level to try to short NQ. I'm not, so don't put any risk on because I'm saying this shorted, but this is the high, right? So like if you short NQ here, this would be a good area to try to short it back down to the low and then get out at the low. You're only getting, you know, I looked at the candle range. It's only a 20-point candle range, but I mean, shit. If you would have longed and shorted the highs and the lows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you could have done it 9 fucking times and been up like $1,800. So like, I mean, I'm just saying it works out. But that's when it's a clear defined range like this where you can do that. So
yeah. I guess for me is like I like the market to flow. So I struggle to realize that I know we're in that range, but I struggle to be like, well, what if this is the last time we come up here? Right? Like, what if this is the last time? You know what I mean? Like that's where I struggle with when I'm thinking about trading that. It's like, well, yeah, this could be the range, but what if it's not? Like, what if this is the last time? So that's where the psychology part for me just doesn't work out in my brain, right? Like,
well,
could short this, but the one time I think about shorting it, this motherfucker's gonna go yard, right? Like,
yeah,
like the tape's gonna get this big ass buyer and be like, yeah, we got him.
Yeah, but I guess with that though,
I'm getting a little feedback from the Discord. I think it's you, Pop.
If you're taking proper risk, then it shouldn't matter. Like, but I know what you mean though, because I have the same problems. Like, this is about to be the last time I'm about to get fucking wrecked here, and it's just my luck that I didn't pick the right time to get in.
I think it shouldn't matter if that's what you want to do, but it matters to me because that's not the trader that I am. Yeah. Right? I think at the end of the day, the trader that you are defines who you like. Obviously, it defines how you trade, but you got to figure out what it is you're looking for, because that trading strategy works for some people. That doesn't work for me, so I just don't do it. You know, see, my ass would have got short right here and have been like, cook season. Look at the tape.
Facts.
Fucking cook season.
Go ahead and eat pop, eat pop, eat pop, eat.
Yeah, Emmett. See, this is killer Emmett. Emmett says it's taking everything in me to not trade this. I'm looking at this range now and licking my chops. I'm paper trading it. Yeah.
No, you're good. You're good. It's coming back. It's coming back.
No mercy. No, we don't. Do I look at the only stocks I look at is these 6 right here, and I don't trade options right now. Right, like it's coming right back down. Jesus.
No, it's
I don't
not.
trade options, but I hold on a second, Jay. I'm trying to answer this dude.
Go ahead.
So, you guys ever look at stocks instead? Like, no, the only stocks I look at right here is these 6 right here: Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, Microsoft, and Google. Because these 5 stocks, right? Like, they carry a shit ton of weight in the ETF that I trade. So I trade primarily NQ, which is the NASDAQ, or I trade the S&P 500 futures. So we trade futures. The only way we would look, all right, we're finally get this breaker structure here. We trade futures. So the only way that we would look at stocks is just to see how it's affecting the futures, right? Or if we were going back to trading options. And I refuse to trade options until the VIX gets over about 20, and it was over 20 for like a day. And this is the VIX right here, the volatility index. And until this thing gets above 20, I'm not touching options. I need the volatility to be a lot stronger than what it is. And the reason why we're getting days like this, right? If you look at NQ and you see how we're sideways trading, we're just not getting any aggression. It's because the VIX has no volatility. There's no volatility. There's a lot of buying and selling, but there's not a lot of increased volume. We're not moving. We're not having these big moves up and down. So y'all are long-term investing or trading? We're trading. This is 100% trading. But this is, I guess we're discussing different types of traders, right? Like what we're discussing isn't a difference between long-term investing or trading. We're discussing trading 100%. But the different types of traders that there are, right? You can be whatever trader you want to be. You could be all of the traders in one. I'm just saying, for me, I'm not looking to swing trade. Fuck no. I'm still looking to scalp, right? Theoretically, I'm just saying if we're breaking scalping down to its actual like smallest form, scalpers trade, you know, they usually trade off the 1 minute, right? Which is fine. I trade off the 1 minute, not saying that. But when they're trading this as a scalp, they're looking to be in here and then get out here for 10 or 15 points. And that's okay, but I'm not looking for 10 or 15 points. I'm usually looking for about 40 to 50 points, right? 30 points minimum, right? So gets me my 2-to-1, right? On NQ. Or on ES, I'm looking for roughly about 6 to 8 points, right? 10 points is a great trade on ES, you know? So yeah, this trading, but do you have personal accounts with longer term stop? Yes, we do.
I'm gonna short this here on a paper trade. I got an itch. My itch needs to be scratched, and I will not be scratching that itch any other way.
They take two certified. Yes, we do.
What? I took a paper trade short. It's a paper trade. There's just something that I like that I saw. I'm sorry.
Well, we got a 5-minute supply zone up here too, so
it just that rally would look super weak, and we had a weak bubble at the top, and then we started selling. So, let's just try it out. I don't really actually want to take this trade, but I'm only looking for the low. My paper trade does not affect the market at all. It doesn't affect you. You know, it's no risk on you. I mean,
say cheese.
I mean, yeah, it's up right now. I'm up $175. Nothing serious. You'll be okay. Yeah, you'll be fine. You'll be okay.
I think we just had a break of structure. We're probably going to pull back into 349 on ES. We'll be looking. No, calm down. Let me get to ES. Let me get to ES.
You're really struggling right now.
Trying to finish my sentence here. We just had a break of. We had a break of structure, and 43.93 through 43.90 needs to hold. Either that, or we're about to really fuck some people up right now. They tried to long this top right here, so we'll see what happens. We gotta hold 4393 through 4390. If not, this is the dump. Because this is the level on ES that we've been fighting to get above all day, and we just haven't been able to do it this entire time. So
yeah, we had
buyers need to step in here. Yeah,
that failure at VWAP did not give me warm and fuzzies. We'll see though. We're coming back up. I'm almost at my price target, and then we didn't.
Honestly, if you're extremely bullish, this is where you buy more. That's what I would say.
That is true.
He said, Hobbs, I can't. I'm maxed out, okay? This is where I am. I can't average down. Yeah. We'll see. Sellers, like I said, sellers appear to be in control, but then at the lows, buyers appear to be in control. So until somebody officially breaks structure and holds it, it's just consolidation. It's just sideways trading.
Yeah, I think what we just saw was a liquidity grab back to the downside, but there's no continuation to the downside. So until there's continuation, there's no real reason to have a long target. But on this trade, I was risking 125 to make 575 paper trade. So yeah, I'll take that for what it is. But it was an on the fly thought.
You're on 2 minis.
Yes, sir. Yeah, and I'll go over the reason why I took this trade. So you can see here we have this high volume area right here, this high volume area, and every time we came up to where the volume started to taper off, right, kind of the end of the peak, we ended up rejecting every single time, right? So basically, my idea on the fly was, okay, if we get back up here and we start to see some failure here, then I'll take the market short on a paper trade, targeting back to this low over here. And on top of that, we had this VWAP break, or we had this VWAP retest and failure as well. So for those reasons, I wanted to try a quick scalp here, and so I got in up here, and it's working out back to the lows. So I'd probably, honestly, if I took this for, I probably would take everything off right here, but it doesn't really matter. It's tomatoes. Really? Just go through it. Just go through it. There you go. Okay. So there you go. Quick $575 on a paper trade. That was my reasoning. Now we're at the low of that volume. So at the tail end of this, it's more higher quality for the market to bounce again here. So that's why I want to get out down here. And then obviously, like I said, I'm still waiting on this area down here to end up being tested to potentially buy. And holy shit, the market just flushed. So it's a good paper trade. But now I'm interested in long. So let's see what happens. Because I think the same thing might happen just to the reverse. But we might get the continuation back to the upside. So just want to be patient. Go down to the 1. We had the nice liquidity sweep right there. It immediately got bought up. Let's see if we get continuation or what. But this is exactly what I want to see for trapped sellers who are getting in way too late on this move, expecting the move to continue down lower. And so now we're starting to get some buying come in. Let's be patient.
Yeah, I like this area for longs. I'm just trying to see if we can just get a but if longs can do their job, but the tape just does not support my thesis right now. So I'm just gonna be patient. Like there's no reason to try to jump the gun on any of this. Like it's just just sitting back and trying to relax and be patient, man.
Yep, I'm with
the
you.
trade will show itself.
And I'm also trying to talk myself into patience. If I just keep saying to be patient, then I accountabilize myself to be patient, because lately I have not been being patient. And then I would have, my dumb ass, well, I don't want to say I'd be dumb, but my dumb ass would have tried to long in the market on that. Like,
I don't want to say I'd be dumb, but my dumb ass would have tried to long this shit right now.
Yeah. And it's before buyers have really shown whether or not they really want to step in or not.
Again,
so.
this is that first buyer territory. Like,
yeah, it is.
To me, this looks like an opportunity to long the market, but I want to see the buyers show themselves. Like I've been saying it this entire time.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna take 2 ES contracts here. By the way, I don't know why, but I have higher conviction on this trade, and I think I want to go a little bit heavier. So, yeah, but I'm gonna wait. And I think I'm just gonna take this in the Apex account too. I'm not gonna take this in the TradeAvate account.
Yeah, I just want to see that break of structure. Like I said, give me some aggression from these fucking bulls. Like these bulls have been getting their ass whooped down here.
Yeah, for me, we're definitely we're in trap sellers territory where I want to see if sellers can get trapped down here and then have to stop out. Because if you think all we've been doing is selling off, but I think that we could see some trapped sellers come into the market and then push them out and then rally.
Oh, they just flipped the book. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
and buyers have been buying this whole time. You can see the CVD has been green this entire time. So while it's looked like a sell-off, like they've been buying this entire time.
Yeah, and we're still in that uptrend. So I mean, pullbacks and dips, they should hold, and this is definitely where I want to see buyers step in. If buyers don't step in here, then I do think we are going to flush. So that's kind of where that's kind of why this is my make it or break it level for me to want to get long here. So I'll just be patient. Like I'll just wait and see if we can't start to get some buying in, maybe hold on a pullback back into like 43.90, because now we're starting to get aggressive. So I'll sacrifice.
Yeah, tap your box.
Tap my box, baby.
Tap my box too.
Tap that box, dog.
Yo. What's up, bro? What I do now? Why you be setting me when you come in here, bro? He always be coming in here like I'm 12. Hey, sit down, son. Like, motherfucker, I know my name. What you want? What you want? Yeah, Hobbs. Yeah. You say you say what's up to everybody else. Yo, what up, bro? What's good, man? What's up, family? What's good? Jonah. It's like I fuck with you, but that motherfucker right there, I feel some type of way. Jonah. What's good, bro? We've been stuck in this consolidation. You know how it is, man. Stuck in this consolidation for about 3 fucking hours. Damn near the whole day just stuck right here, bro. Nah, we had the news hour ago. They didn't do nothing to the market.
No.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you said it's the move time. Yeah. I thought you said this the news candle, right? Or news time right here. I was like, nah. But yeah, about 10:30 is when the market decides to reverse. So we should reverse or make a decision, I should say. I'm not gonna say reverse. I mean, the stocks look weak. Apple looks strong, but everything else just look weak as fuck. But the buying just keeps coming in, so you can't ignore it. I don't know what the fuck. I don't know what the hell's going on. It's sloppy. This price action is super sloppy. That I will agree. I think we all can agree. Yeah.
All right, we're aggressively coming back down again. So see if sellers are strong here to break the previous low or not, because they're aggressive right here.
I think that, bro, this shit been heavy,
right,
bro.
Holding.
I think that might have been the first sign of buyers, though. Let's see if we come down one more time and break that low, and then potentially like get super aggressive, like throw the whole kitchen sink at the buyers, and then sellers throw the whole kitchen sink at buyers, and then they'd be like, yeah, all right, thanks. Appreciate y'all. We was wondering how we was gonna see 500 today. Now we know. Now we know. Yeah, bro. I think we in everybody on stage. Everybody that's in Discord, fucking in the channel. This is everybody's buy box, but this motherfucker don't look like they buy. Like, either they buying, it's just not enough. Like, damn, they accumulating like a motherfucker. I don't want to be the first buyer. Like, take that shit somewhere else. Like, you ain't getting me, bro. I didn't lost too many damn times trying to be fucking Mr. Smarty Pants. Nah, bro. You got to show me something. There you go. Get your ass up there. Show me some shit. There we go, buyers. Give me everything you got right now. only for sellers. Damn. Okay.
Oh shit.
That booty, bro.
That was a very big seller. Holy shit.
He said, fuck around, find out. I'm telling you. Bro. The ES candle looked deadly, bro. That was a deadly fucking rejection. Bro. Oh, the same thing happened on NQ. You ain't watching Bookmap though. You can't see it in like you can see it on the candle, but it's not as violent. That shit was violent as hell.
Fuck?
What's up, Jay?
Oh, nah, I mean, I was trying to see if there was like a Fed speaker or something, but that motherfucker just came in and swept the fucking market.
He just said, give me all the fucking liquidity. I'm selling everything up here.
You shall
know how much this shit I bought down at the bottom?
You shall not pass, bitch.
Bro. Yo, they still trying to send this shit. These motherfuckers.
Yeah, they're still trying to buy.
They buying the hell out of this shit down here, bro.
Okay, so I think what I want to see now is I want to see us push up. I still want buyers to show intent and then retest this area where this seller came in and swept the market. If we can get him underwater, come back and hold where we're kind of consolidating right now, I would look to long 40-31, 40-33-ish area. But I need to see buyers actually push this up and sustain some shit, because I almost FOMO'd into a long there when we put in that higher low. But
he was coming to cook your ass.
He was.
I gotta bake his ass.
Hey, you would have known though. You wouldn't have known though.
Oh my god, bro.
Yeah, that was fucking something.
That's what they did to longs up there, bro. They was like
swept again.
They was like, I gotta bake his ass. We got a late one, guys. We got him.
Oh, I'm still liking longs though. I'm still liking it down here. We're still holding.
Bro, shorts is getting their ass fucking. They eating the day, bro. They like, hey, look here. Long, a quick scalp, 90 to 92 on ES. Man, Y'all brave, bro. I can't do it. I like my soul will not let me fucking long or short this shit. I just can't, man. I can't. I'm scared.
I'm not looking for long.
I'm scared of shit like the shit that just happened hurt my soul. I was like, yeah, that used to be me. It used to be me. What you mean? Just overall, macro wise, or just on this move? Yeah. No. Yeah, I agree. I just can't count out these bulls until they break these motherfuckers. They look at these motherfuckers. Look at the liquidity on NQ. They just loading this box up. They just slapped 118 orders down here, bro. Like these motherfuckers they like, bro, we not done. Like we'll buy this shit all day, motherfucker. What y'all want to do, cuz? What y'all want?
This is the buying level, man. I'm telling you, this is
the level that you buy. This bro. This Black Friday right here, bro. Like that's all they doing.
Yep. Yeah, we got long at this area yesterday.
Yeah, this is the exact same area we got long yesterday.
Yeah.
This is literally a double bottom from yesterday.
This is a triple bottom because overnight
a triple bottom. Yeah, that's right. We tapped the same levels. So,
and that's exactly why this is the area where I wanted to be a buyer. I just that aggressive seller fucked me.
Let's see this seller take all the liquidity again. Be like, bitch, I tell y'all to get y'all motherfucking ass down. Oh boy. Go right back to 400. 400. 100. Oh.
All right, so we're about where he started the selling. I'm gonna get above where he started the selling. But the CBD is looking hella flat right now.
Yeah, the VIX looking weird. It's just got long wicks at the top, like, but it's holding VWAP. If we come out of this area, bro, it's gonna be a straight shot up, like pew.
I think so too, because I think we're about to drop a whole bunch of late sellers.
Yeah, this shit might just rip because they putting a whole bunch of liquidity on this tape to stop price from coming back down. I just want to see them start to spread that shit out. Let's see, we're approaching that level where this big seller came in. Let's see if he does some crazy shit again.
That's the question. Does that motherfucker sweep the market again, or because right now we're making higher highs and lower
What you say, Joe?
higher lows?
It's a battle royale for sure, bro. I don't even think they be sweating it, bro. They be like, bro, we go buy some more right here. Y'all go sell it on us. All right, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's see how much we can fuck retail up. It's a whole cookout for them. They like, it's a cookout regardless, bro. We need some more money. We just, talk to old Jerome Rome, be like, hey, bro, send this shit again.
Well, those motherfuckers, they make like what is it? They win like 200 or I don't remember. It's like 80% of the days they win or something, or like 95% of the days they win.
Yeah, because they can't lose.
They ain't worried about a loss. They don't lose.
They can't lose. Bro, you can't lose when your name is liquidity, bro. Like you can't fucking lose. Like, yeah, like they trading billions of dollars. They can't lose. Only everything, bro. This shit coming right back down. That's another lower high just put in on NQ. Jeez. Just make a fucking decision. Damn.
Robinhood in 2020 found that 97% of all individuals who traded for more than 300 days lost money. God damn.
Damn.
Only 3% of their losers won. Yeah, Robinhood. Robinhood is trash if you're trying to day trade, though.
Yeah, definitely.
It's like the worst platform.
It's worse than a damn prop firm. Right? That shit worse than a fucking prop firm.
But they make money when you lose, so like they trying, you know what I'm saying? I guess they make money either way, but All right, they just threw a lot of orders at 4394. So
This shit cooking fucking longs, bro. They like, y'all can loan this bitch if you want to. We coming down, whether you like it or not. Longs have not been able to conquer 362, but shorts haven't been able to break below. So
there's another fucking sweep of the market right there.
yeah, and the tape just went clear. Is there news? Bro, this is nuts, bro.
Oh,
Is there a speaker right now? The tape just got very, very clear.
No, there's not. I checked. He doesn't come on till like 1:30 or some shit. Because I thought about that too when we swept the market. I was like, the fuck just happened? But well, yeah, the next thing that happens is 10-year bond auction happens at 1:01, which is a really random time, but 1:40 is that's what it says, 1:01 p.m. I don't know. Let's find out. It says highest yield on the 10-year bonds the government sold at auction and the bid to cover ratio of the auction. Yeah, neither do I.
He said, yeah, you done. Bro, this is a straight up nothing burger, man. Damn, bro. Like, yeah, my shit's flat, bro.
Well, we're doing the same thing.
I get all my aggression out on Apex. when I get bored, I be like, give me open up one of these motherfucking Apex accounts and be like, trade.
I'm looking at the wrong
all these hoes.
Almost. I don't think so. Maybe.
What do you mean?
You might be able to actually if you.
In a copier, yeah. Like if the copier is generic, like it's not attached to anything, it's just its own copier. You can load any account you want into it.
Yeah, I was gonna say if you have your own copier, then yeah. Like I know there. What is it? Ninja has a copier, so and it's just based off of your account. So yeah, you can probably load multiple different accounts up and do it that way. See why not?
Bro, look at this fucking 15, 5, 15, 30. Like, bro, we've gone no fucking where, bro.
I'm really liking longs down here, though. Still, like, I'm really liking longs down here. Like, I might take a stab at a long if we start to see some buying. I'm getting confirmation. I'm liking it. Yeah, I'm in long. That buying right there. I'm gonna take longs. I'm gonna put my stop at the low though. I'm gonna risk a lot, but yeah, I like longs down here. I'll actually risk I'm gonna risk the low. Might get cooked here, but I do like the buying that I'm seeing. So I think we're gonna push out of this, but I could be wrong. I'm only risking 4 points to fuck around and find out, so.
Oh my God. They just slapped 400 orders. Oh, they took them off. Never mind. They just slapped 400 orders on the book to the downside. And then they took that shit off. Oh my God. This shit is crazy, man. Like, legal.
It is illegal.
Something. That's usually a good sign that we about to push, though. That might be good for Justice Trade. Usually, every time I see that fake shit happen, I'll be like, oh, we gone. We gone. That was the symbol. That was the bat signal. Every time I see it, bro. Yeah, that's exactly what it feels like. Yep. Every time I see that shit, we take the fuck off. Look, we about to take the fuck off. Let's see. See if they keep buying. They've been buying this shit the whole fucking time, man.
Yeah, I think we're going back up to I got my take profits at 4407, but I'm gonna make it 4404. Oh wait, no, I have to take, where the fuck is my take profit? I don't even know where the fuck this shit went. Oh, my thing is off. Okay, never mind. I don't have my brackets on right now. Shut up. Shut up. I fucking hate you, Pop. Go ahead.
Fucking pop the whole cloud. What a loser.
Hey, that's not on me, okay? That's my squad. Oh, I agree. If we lose to the Broncos, it's time to pack it up. That is fair. That is fair. I agree with that assessment, 100%. A 100%. My one regret on this trade, regardless of winner or loser, is I FOMO'd into the bubbles, which kind of annoys me because if I would have waited just a half second, I could have got a better entry, but that's okay.
Well, if you would have just entered where you said you wanted to enter instead of waiting for the bubbles, you'd have got the best entry. But it's still a clean trade either way.
Yeah, we held 43.90 really nicely too. So I was spotting some absorption down there. So I'm gonna give it a shot. See what happens. Maybe we push. We are at 5-minute supply right now though, and we are kind of rejecting. So I am aware of that, but.
Should we just get any type of sign of continuation? This shit is horrible.
Yeah, this is the first test we got to kind of break through. This might be a very long trade for me, but we'll see.
We took this test 5 times. We failed this motherfucker every time. Let's see if we pass this bitch this time.
Again, I'm just. Well, I mean, we don't really have any important. Nah, he doesn't talk till tomorrow again. He already talked this morning.
No, we got other speakers today, but
yeah, I'm not worried about them. Yeah, we got to break. We got to break. We got to break VWAP. VWAP is kind of the big level for me right now, so we'll see. I am not okay. Well, yeah.
Oh my god, these motherfuckers, bro! I'm about to call the fucking thing.
Bing, bing. I think Apple's in a falling wedge and is about to break out of that bitch and go ham back to the upside, if you ask me, but yeah, we'll see. I think we go back up to 44.05. That's my target. That's where I think we're going to go back up to. But there's some levels we kind of have to be careful with. But I think maybe 44.02. But I mean, the buying's coming back up. Yeah, I think this is a good trade. I think we're in a very good trade right now. So we'll see. If this trade doesn't work, I'll hold my hat on. I was patient and I waited for my level to hit, and I got a reaction that was strong buying out of it, and see what happens. The one thing I need to work on today would just be my execution of my entries. That's all. Yeah. Just relax. Just relax. See what the chat's talking about. I've been scalping the hell out of ES. I'm owning the market today. I mean, my levels are working out. We'll see if they actually play out right. I don't know. I'm trying to be a Zen master today. I'm just trying to stay calm. I'm trying to take Hobbs' advice and not fucking overreact to every little fucking thing in the market.
I'm over here about to fall asleep on this. I don't know if it's because I'm tired or what, man. This shit is boring the hell out of me right now. I'm like, bro, like, oh my god. But yeah, you're taking some really good trades, man. I'm proud of you, bro. Like you're taking them, and you not just because they win or lose, but because you're standing on that shit. You know what I mean? Everybody in here telling you what they think, and that's cool. Like that's what we talk about. We're a community, but you standing on what you see, and that's growth. You know, so
yeah.
Keep going, bro. Keep
going. I mean, either trade's gonna work out or it's not. But I think we could stop out a good amount of players here. If not, then we don't. That's cool too. Just take my $400 loss, and either I'll take another trade or I won't. It's at the low. Yeah, 43.
Oh, shit.
43.88.
No. These motherfuckers here, bro. These sellers ain't playing at the top of this line, bro. At the top, I'm telling you, guys, I just moved the line up to the top of these wigs, but I'm just gonna tell you, for me to trade this shit, and this is just in queue. I don't know about fucking ES, but just for me, right? Justin has his reasons why he want to trade, but for me to trade this, I have to see this break structure. We have to get above 368 now is the high, and we need to get above it like convincingly. Right now, I feel like any attempts to break these highs is false breakouts until they're not. And right now, only thing that I can go off of is standing on what I believe in and what I want to see happen. If I see another sweep of liquidity that fails, I'm longing this fucking market. Like if this sweep of liquidity, a breakout of these lows, right? I'm looking at this as kind of like a range, right? If we get a false breakout of these lows, 330, 332, 330, whatever this is, right? We're in this range. If there's a false breakout to this downside, I want to long the market. If there's a false breakout to the upside, I'm just going to short the market. At this point, I'm just kind of being impatient and a little annoyed by the market. So, I just feel like there's no reason for, in my opinion, there's no reason for me to do anything because my shit just hasn't triggered. Like what I want to do just hasn't triggered. So I just think we're inside of this little box, and until we get the fuck out of this box, like fuck this market. Good morning. How's it?
Yeah, I'm still long.
This sucks. Yeah, the price action is horrible, man. It's horrible. And the way I look at it is everybody looks at the market totally differently, right? Like, and I'm not saying I'm right or Justin's wrong. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is, for me, what makes me feel comfortable is waiting for some type of confirmation out of this box. The only thing that I can say for sure, right? And everybody in here can have their own opinion, but here's the facts, right? Here are the absolute facts that nobody can argue. I'm gonna go to the 5-minute on ES, right? And for the last hour, we've gone no fucking where, right? Like, in a grand scheme of things, since we had this aggressive sell-off, let's just put our little horizontal line below this sell-off, right? So right there in the center of the sell-off. And then we obviously got this key level here at 43.90. So this is our box. It's an 8.25 range on an ES. 8 points. So you have to be correct within 4 to 3 points and willing to be taking profit, and you need to have the perfect entry. So you got to do all of that within 8 points. That's no edge for me. Like that's just not an edge for me. I can't do that. I'm not that good. Like, I need the market to give me some breathing room so I can, walk away and at least go take a piss without the market completely reversing in the opposite direction. Like, so, going back over to NQ because they let me know that the shop this time that we might have to actually enter in this thing long, but I don't know. Yeah, I do like this bounce off this 5-minute demand zone that we just created at these lows down here. So let's see if it pushes out.
All right,
But I think the direction is good. I think you're picking the right direction, Jay. I don't want you to get it confused like I'm coming down on you. I think your direction is good.
Look, I have so much conviction. I actually just added to my position. So
let's go.
I added to my position, but I shortened my first target. So
yeah, like you had a smaller target, or
yeah. So right now, I averaged down. So my position is now at fourth. I'm average 439,225. So I'm down on the position, but my target now is 439,725. So if I win, then I'll take profit there first, and then I'll hold the last two runners up to my original target. If not, then it stops me out, and I'm down like $700. So we'll see. I just like how we sold off right there and aggressively came back up, and now we're holding the area. Again, maybe FOMO'd a little bit into my position, but it never touched my stop. So we'll see what happens. If we get a nice little push here, this could be the last trap for sellers, because there's a lot of buying down there at the lows as well. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. I mean, either I'm going to win this trade or I'm going to lose it, but we'll see. I like it.
I don't give a fuck what y'all doing. I'm not touching this shit. I'm not fucking touching this shit. Until this shit gets out of this area, like, I don't believe none of this shit. I don't believe anything until the market shows it to me. When the market shows it to me, I'll get long or I'll get short.
Sellers are trying to push here again. So we'll see what happens. Yep.
Cook that shit.
Yeah. Looks like I'm going to get stopped out, but whatever.
Oh, on the 15? Let me look. It just, it looked like a barcode on the 15. Just straight barcode.
Stopped out. And there's the break. Yeah, whatever. It's a good trade idea. It might. I still like longs. I
like longs too. I'm 100% with you. I just cannot touch this shit until these longs get out of this area, because I feel like we're not us specifically, but I feel like everybody that's longing or shorting the market inside of this battle are just providing the liquidity for the ultimate move, whichever move that direction is. Think about how many times you got long, which isn't a lot, right? But your orders don't even affect the market, right? Think about how many times you got long and short, and think about how many times people got liquidated inside of this area. So the market's waiting until it reaches whatever number that is to send this shit. I don't know what that is, and I don't know what the market is looking for. I have no clue. What I do know is if I do nothing and I just wait, the only thing that I have in my favor is time. So I'm just going to wait for the market to break structure, right? Break out of this fucking bullshit that we're in right here and come back to it. Because I know no matter what happens, whatever happens at this level, whether we break down or we break up, this level is going to be support or resistance for somebody.
Yeah, that's true.
So that's the way I'm looking at it. Like, just get out of this shit. Until we get out of it, like, fuck it. 2 tiers in the bucket. Every time we go up to the highs, market fails to come lower. Every time market fails to go higher. Every time we get to the lows, market fails to go lower. So it's just consolidation, right? The only thing that I would say for your trade is understanding that we're in this consolidation and you took a good trade and you got a good entry. Get out at the high.
I had a horrible entry.
or but at least you were up, right? Like the high in this situation, knowing that we were inside of that ridiculous range, like any sign of weakness up there, like Carmine's video that other day, like As soon as that motherfucker spotted weakness, I'm getting the fuck out of this shit. Like the market just isn't supporting any type of extended move. Waiting to collect money and then move to another zone, but the crossover and rejection on the 200 enemy made on the 1 minute made me short. Yep. I don't think Xavier, I don't think shorts or longs are a bad idea inside of this box. I think both of them can work, but the key is entry. You can't hesitate, right? You have to get in, and you got to realize I'm in this bitch for a short time, not a long time, right? You cannot be thinking I caught the bottom and now we push, or I caught the top and now we're gonna dump. You can't have that thought process. If you're gonna trade inside of this shit, is on NQ, you need to have a 10 point, 20 point max, right? And get out, because that's when the market's going to be looking to reverse. On ES, you probably need to be looking, minimum, right? And on ES, well, I'm saying max is like max of 10 or 20 points. I'm talking about like to gain. Like you shouldn't be, you see what I'm saying? Like you shouldn't be looking to get more than 10 or 20 points. And then on ES, 3 to 4 points inside of this range is probably, that's 50% of the range. ES is in a 8-point range. You get 4 points, you just conquered 50% of it. So, it's just a lot to take in right now. Shit, you should be. You do it. Think about how many times we did it though, right? Like you could have did that shit on NQ. I mean, again, I'm just, throwing ideas out there. But if you identified the range, like right now, if I wanted to get long and I took this long down here, once we got some confirmation.
Oh, shit.
Oh, there you go. That was not confirmation. Or was it confirmation? Let's see. This is the kitchen sink. This is, I'm watching. I'm watching.
Yeah, ain't lying. Ain't lying there.
Hold on. Let's see if buyers step in here. This is that breakout of the lows that I was talking about. This is what sellers have been waiting to try to do all day long. So let's see. We'll see. I hope you're short. I hope you shorted then. Yeah, they throwing the fucking. I mean, I ain't mad at you if you did, bro. Do your thing. Like, I'm trying to focus on one potential opportunity here. If you had one, okay. All right. Now that that's over, let's see what bulls do here. Or is it over? 300 orders sitting down there at 100. I mean, 100 orders sitting out on here at 300, the 15,300 level. So,
yeah, I'm looking for the retest now. I'm looking for a break and retest to go lower.
Yeah, that was a clean ass break of structure right there at 330. I'm still looking for longs here. They're loading the boat down here. See if they step the fuck up here. Give me something strong, man. Give me some of that strong shit. $350 orders, 100. That was over 600 orders that hit the fucking bid.
Yeah, now they're trying to support.
They're squeezing these motherfuckers out, bro.
Today's a long squeeze for sure.
Oh yeah,
a long time to get going, but
ding ding ding. Come the bulls.
Yeah, we're gonna go back up and retest that sweep area where the market decided to
look. You think we about to come back up? This market look like it got other plans. It's choking these bulls out right now. They are choking these motherfuckers out right now. Hey, come on, bulls. Bro, these motherfuckers are weighted. They got their foot on Bull's neck right now. Come on, Bulls. Get up there. I really like this area for longs. I just need them to push out. Like, get a fucking grip, Bulls. Don't be no bitches. Come on, Bulls. Get out of this area. Y'all know y'all don't deserve to be treated like this, bro. Y'all don't deserve this shit, cuz. Come on, cuz. Ricky! Bro, they needed this day. That 2 hour supply zone up at 385 was key. But low key, we only sold off like 60 points. Yeah. Bulls.
Yeah, I was hoping we would come back and kind of fill that gap.
Yeah, I was hoping we'd come back up, but it don't look like we gonna come back up. These motherfuckers can't breathe. I can't breathe. Get your foot off my neck. Damn, bro. This is nuts. Oh, here we go. Come on, Bulls. Come on, Bulls. Come on, Bulls. Get up there, Bulls. I'm just rooting for him, man. Can I cheer these motherfuckers on or what? Come on, Bulls. Come on, Craig. Get up, Craig. Come on, Craig. Oh, shut up. He said, I hope not. That's a long way down. Oh my gosh. Yo, it's taking a whole lot of selling to get this shit down, bro.
Damn. I want to go short, but I need this market to come back up a little bit higher. Well, we broke my level. We broke underneath my buyer's level, so now I want to see it act as resistance.
Xavier said his paper short eaten. Do you ever trade? Somebody asked me that before, Brian. I've been looking into it, but I haven't traded it yet, like per se. But yeah, I'm happy with 4 points. I agree. Yeah, why can't I be patient when trading my own cash? Because you don't have any skin in the game. So when you don't have any skin in the game, there's no pressure. So you care, but you don't really give a shit.
Damn.
That's the biggest difference.
Well, we got my pullback. It just didn't come as high as I wanted it to.
This market is clowning right now. Well, yeah.
Yeah, this shit's about to dump.
Yeah. Bro, I'm not looking for buys again until we hit 5227, the next 4 hour supply zone. This shit coming down. Look at the fucking aggression. That's why I said whatever's gonna happen out of this shit's gonna be a dump. Like whatever direction we go to. And again, this might not be the true direction. If buyers step in here, this thing could come back up, but it ain't looking too good. What's the VIX doing? Oh God, look at the VIX. Holy shit. Look at the boner candle on the VIX. Damn, Daniel.
Yeah, this thing coming down.
Knuckles. All right, fair value gap at 273. Last chance to be a bull. Last chance until we go to the next stop. Damn, what a fucking candle. Look at the fucking VIX 15-minute candle, bro.
Oh, I saw it.
Holy shit. What a day, yeah. VIX is going straight the fuck up. Bro, that consolidation was... You can't even really see the consolidation on the 5 minute. Oh, there it is. Oh, my bad. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 5, 10. Hold on. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55.
Looks like we're about to get a potential relief bounce here.
Bro, we were in consolidation for 2 hours, bro. 2 fucking hours consolidation. That's fucking dummy. That was crazy. 2 hours in that consolidation. If this shit pops right back up, Bears are done. But damn, that was some fucking selling. Look at this. Look at what bro, all of these lots, they had to fucking dump this. They had to throw the fucking everything at these motherfuckers to get that price down.
Yeah.
If they come back and buy this shit up, this shit's going to the fucking moon.
Well, I'm looking for 43.80 to 43.83 to hold. I'm gonna take it on my my Apex account. This account's almost blown, so might as well go for Gusto.
Might as well.
Try something I wouldn't normally try.
Might as well take it all the way up.
Take it.
All right, let's see if these bulls come back. These motherfuckers, bro. Was that the liquidity sweep? I don't fucking know. That was aggressive.
Yeah, that was very aggressive.
I'm not jumping in front of this shit. If we come back, I'll tell you what. If we get above that structure on the 1 minute above 333, and we come back and we hold 317, then I'll be convinced to take the market long. And we need to come up there with favor, right? So
favor or fervor?
Is it fervor or favor? Yeah. So I'm looking here. I'll show you guys on my 1 minute chart. I'm drawing it out on my trader vape. But let me show you guys on my 1 minute. All right, let me take this off because this is irrelevant. All right, so this white line right here is the top, right? This is the top of this area. And in order for me to get long, I'm looking for 317 to hold. So if we get above structure up there, if bulls are strong enough to break above, then I'll look to long. But if we reject this yellow line, I'm gonna look to short. I'm gonna look for shorts. 5 EMA on the 1 hour is on point. Oh. Look at the 1 hour, bro. Look at this perfect ass double top.
I know.
That was your entry up there, Jay. But you'd have had to sit through so much pain. No way you're holding all the way down here, bro. Like this shit was
probably
this
not.
shit took 4 hours, bro. 4 hours. Anyway, on that note, guys, I'm about to get the fuck up out of here. I'm not finna sit here all day. I have not taken any trades, and I don't like anything that I'm seeing. I see a couple things that I want to trade, but the market just kind of drained me through that 2 hours of consolidation. And I know what happens after I get drained like that. I'll fuck around and just do something dumb. So I'm going to call it for me. Justin, you can stay here if you like, but 11 o'clock is what time I want to get off the stream. So
I'll call it too. No reason to stay.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for tapping in with the Trader Shop, man. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. Don't overtrade. You don't have to stay in these markets all day. I did not get into day trading to be looking at these charts all day. I'm going to go fight crime in the fantasy world of Spider-Man land. So, J. Jonah Jameson, I'm coming for your ass. Anyway, that being said, ladies and gentlemen, we appreciate each and every one of you guys. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. We'll be back at 8 a.m. Central Standard Time tomorrow morning. You guys take it easy. Peace. All right, bro.